Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Yeah, man, well, as usual, I know, no calling about anything no want calling about, we're on the same topic. Yeah, break up, mix up, any mix up involving something crazy what happening in a break up. Break up, mix up, or any other thing we don't want to talk about, see? Lifestyle, big up yourself. CBS, me see you. Yeah, Kim, large up. Munchie, Queen Nash. Tommy Love. Angel. So the thing I come in on the live, you're nice now, you know? See? I'll bring this over here, so yeah. Man talk back in the days, you know? We used to host that on TVJ at Jamaica. Yeah, man, as you come in, just go and, you know, share the live and make sure say you follow me too, you know? Right away. We're juggling, we not waste no time, you know. So, at the same topic with the pan and thing, right? Break up, mix up. And the drama we go down during a breakup, and the craziness we go down during a breakup, and the strange thing what happen during a breakup. Right? Give her a call and tell me about it, though. Give her the link. Come in. And make you know what I go on. Yesterday, someone had a little problem with PK card, you know. But you know what's me the light a little reason that with PK go on with, you know. PK just keep it 100, you know. PK just say, right, you know, Raga. And I know man, you know. Man say from him young, him not no man. I don't know man, him get and thing, him have to pay for that. Him go buy that. Man keep it 100. Mrs. Hemmings, morning, Raga, morning. How are you there? Mrs. Hemmings, how are you there? Can't tell me morning. Where in the world are you? Where in the world are you? Auntie Van, big up yourself. I'm a large up. Blessed. Big up. Oh, Connecticut. You just wake. All right, blessings, man. You work at night. I would have to put a hat on my head. All TamFam has big up on yourself. We're there. Yeah, man, me love a little reasoning with PK, man. You know, sometimes you do a show like this and people start share and then when I'm honest and tell the truth, you know? You end up learning a lot. You know, you see people out there walk on them beard and them put on them clothes and things, and you don't know what am I go through out there, you see it. Tracy Brown say, I him name Ragashanti. Tracy, young general say, Tracy, yeah, I him name, yeah, I him name Ragashanti. Tracy, why, what is it? What is it? Tracy, what is it? Tell me what. I him name Ragashanti. Tracy, why you write that? Ebony, large up. Tracy, why you write that? Must a reason why you write that, you know. Taylor said, Raga, I remember the bossa beard on stage using a water bottle. Ah, those were the days when we had to mix up and blend that Jamaica, though. And we bust that something named bossa beard. Mrs. Semming said, Tracy, run, gone. Tracy not gone, man. Well, Tracy probably get a little bit of surprise to hear me ball out on you. My apologies, Tracy. My apologies. And I'm going to frighten you, though. Why go to talk to me?
Well, all right. I come from Connecticut, right? But I
Yeah,
live in Connecticut. But I come from New York.
yeah.
But me never know that Connecticut coming like the door angle. Everybody get a turn.
Connecticut coming like the what?
Door angle. Everybody get a turn. That means that everybody has screw everybody.
I saw that one in Connecticut.
Hartford. If anybody here from CT, from Hartford, I saw it go.
I lived in Hartford for a while.
Raga, them young people, yeah. Me find out late
Yeah.
when me was dealing with one person. And I saw my story come.
Tell me about it.
So me was just a regular little, me I go work, church and school. And then the house that I live in, the guy on the second floor tried to push a game to me. But I said no, I don't want to talk to him because I know I'm in school. The church brother said, he man look at talk man, he's a nice guy. Raga. About 2 nights after, me hear a mother upstairs a ball out. Now one girl come and bust out the window time BMW. Bring man for come beat him. That was the first sign.
That are the youth who did
My
want to
baby
talk to you.
father.
What?
Yeah. Him end up being my baby father, but close your mouth, Raga. Me I tell you how it end up.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, me should have used that as a red flag. But when man want the pumps, them tell a sweet story, right?
Really? Guys do that? I didn't know that.
Yeah, Raga, yeah, man. Come now, man.
Yeah.
So, me never did want a relationship because me I go to school and me I work full time, right?
Yeah.
Some church brother keep saying, no matter how good boy, I'm having own business, right? And end up being a lie, right? So I say, all right, me don't want nothing serious. And me I take science class. I'm say, all right, him can be a little stress reliever. Because him look like him already have problem already. I mean, if him can't win already bus out, me don't want nobody come bus out for me apartment window come live on the first floor.
Right.
So no. That happened now. And we did it and we had talk. And when I leave work, I used to deliver mattress for sleepy. So when I come home, we deal whatever, and me go school and come back. So when I call me and come downstairs and check and I saw do everything, right? So push come to shove out, I got a pumpkin belly. Me pregnant.
You pregnant? Whoa.
Yes.
Neighbor get pushed out and beer things, yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So maybe that's why my daughter love Mixup so. So when I'm pregnant with my daughter, I normally go New York on the weekend.
Yeah.
So one night, me call the door to door. We come pick up your door and drop your door between Marks, Connecticut and New York. So I know somebody who wanted a girl. I just call her N. But me never really care because we never in a serious
We call her
relationship.
N.
Yeah, because we never put out our full name.
I we could call her Nancy. I deal with Nancy.
All right, Nancy. Right? So I know the interview with Nancy. And Nancy, me and Nancy sit down in the same room and we call her Nancy. Now bring the word to me. Right?
So well, Nancy, you know say you and baby mother at that point?
No, she never knows me a baby mother, but she knows me and him did a deal.
Oh.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So then there was another girl.
What?
I call her Shelly.
Yeah, Nancy
When
and
me
Shelly.
she did
Yeah.
go school.
Yeah.
And Shelly did think that she was all that because she there with Mr. Pat. I call baby father Pat. Right?
Pat. No, we not call your baby father Pat.
Now
You
we
know
call
if
him
name
Pat man,
Patrick.
everybody get cooked up in that.
What him name what?
A Pat. Because everybody get cooked up in that.
No,
Every
we call him
paper thing seem
Patman,
run down.
Patman. We call him
Patman.
Patman. Yeah,
Right?
Patman. Yeah.
So we are calling Patman. So then Shelly, she are going with a hype because my baby father DJ and Ray.
Oh.
So Nancy see her and I like her. So one day,
So
because
Nancy no like Shelly?
no, not at all, and me never know.
But you never know. But at that time, you asleep with Patman, Nancy asleep with Patman, and Shelly asleep with Patman.
Yeah, and when I find out, I cut it, when I be pregnant, I cut it off. Because him didn't want me to have an abortion. And I tell him, say, me never get myself pregnant, so if you not come up with half of the abortion, it don't make no sense.
Him want you to go have abortion and you for pay for it?
Exactly.
Yo, Patman, cool. Anyway, go and talk, yeah.
Oh, all right. So them time I broke up with Pacman. So them come from the club now. Me miss door to door now. Door to door supposed to come pick me up 7:00 p.m.
Yeah.
Door to door, they call me. So I call them back and say, oh, they forget to pick me up. So 5:00 in the morning. So me they don't know we on door to door about 4 something. Them come from the club 3 something. Pacman and Shelly upstairs are groovy doovy, you know. Because the wall them thing you can't hear where I go on.
Hold on. At that time, you did pregnant?
Yeah, and me live on the first floor and Pacman live on the second floor.
And you pregnant for Patman?
Yeah, me pregnant for
And
Pacman.
you cut it off with Patman?
Cut it off with Pacman.
And Patman dep on the second floor now, I shell out Shelly.
Mm-hmm.
Have Shelly under shellings.
Under pressure.
Yeah. And
Pressure
then Nancy come now.
I said, but Nancy don't even come with just herself. No, I said, Nancy come with Keisha, Kerry, Pauline, Charmaine. Me say I bust them bus open the front door, like SWAT team,
Jeez, I'm glad they
said
put in
them
Keisha because the
bitch.
Keisha them terrible, man. Any woman named Keisha, man, me I tell her them terrible.
said
So
them
Nancy
give
come
it
with
to
her
her,
crew
them
and kick down the door. And in India shell out Shelly.
Me say, if they ever see me down there, I go think my belly young because I have baby on the floor. The way me down there, I jump and I laugh. And like when I watch karate movie, yeah, man. And I say, you're upstairs, I dung, 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 dung.
Jano.
I said, them get Shelly a piece of beaten.
But why them beat you know, say up to now, me not really get it. Why woman beat another woman when that woman, well, me don't know. Shelly didn't know about Nancy?
Yes.
Oh.
Because that's why I start the story and say Hartford is like a doorknob. When me get to find out, but me find out this after the fact when me get pregnant. Say the man them is like a competition. So it's like, Saraga, you are deal with Shelly, right? Then Tammy come see you are deal with Shelly. Then Tammy want to deal with Shelly. Then Frank sister Tammy deal with Shelly. So it's like 5 men at Africa one girl. Everybody Africa, everybody in a Hartford. But to me, I don't know this now, but I find out late. But I thank God say I barely me get another STD because it could have gone wrong.
Right.
But I say them give Shelly a piece of beating.
Oh God. So no, about how much woman Nancy they come with?
Nancy come with about a 4 or 5 of them.
4 of them and them kick down the door and go in there and
Listen,
beat up
that
Shelly.
them kick down the
But
them
what
kick
on, so
down.
Pac-Man couldn't defend Shelly.
But me no know, you know. Cause remember say me downstairs na hear me hear the blood dung and the mother ball out. This at 4 o'clock when everybody asleep. So the uncle Smarty were up a Patman and Shelly before them come from the club.
Okay,
So
okay.
the wake up the whole family now on the second floor. Everybody a ball out.
Yeah.
And you start hear the thing is a drop and one mash up and rate it.
Oh God, man. No, I'm feel it for Shelly. Them shouldn't do Shelly, so, no. So well on, so that was it for you and him and it just done this, so.
Yeah, it done from a fine number pregnant and I'm come with the abortion foolishness. Me just done with it.
Yeah. That's a deal breaker right there. So right
Yeah.
out.
And me no know. And then from after that, him sister now start tell me about how she live a pharmacy because my fear get the yellow and red pill them. One time he hear me on the phone and
What are the yellow and red pill? What them the for?
most of the antibiotics them. Cause one time
For
he hear
what?
me talk. No for some little transmission disease. About transmission.
No.
Sexual transmitted disease.
But you say yellow and red as if it's something where people know, like the yellow and red pills are
That's what the
for.
sister tell me.
Also, but you don't know specifically
No.
what. No, I thought it was a thing. Like, you know, a yellow and red pill that anytime anybody take yellow and red pill is for so and so. That's what I thought it was. Okay, sorry.
You know.
Because I thought I was out of the
on
loop with
phone,
something there, yeah.
And I thought, well, I guess the girl must ask me if I'm still a bird. And I must say, yeah, I'm still a bird. You think it's funny? Me I say, Father God, Jesus. I say, me thank God.
Well, you come out of that one day as good as you can and think, may I take another link? But tell me something, you know, you did have the baby and everything, right?
Yeah, man, me have the baby and everything.
And so you and him there on good terms after the youth
No, so I'm
ban.
not on good term.
No?
But Nancy pregnant too.
Oh,
Nancy end up pregnant.
Nancy end up breed too and whatever. So what what's about him? What is the thing about him? What is the appealing thing about him?
Raga, tell you, I couldn't know because.
No, you must know that you never did that take him.
No, but remember saying it was a stress reliever for me, because me did go through school.
Oh, so him was just you know. Oh,
Yeah,
I understand why
you know, when you take
come take care
class,
of the plumbing and little thing and whatever.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, okay, me understand that.
Clear out the little pressure in the pipe for me.
Right.
Yes.
We understand that. So I never not the way I don't know jump off a cliff for nobody type of thing.
No, son, not at all.
All right then, seeing. All right, big up yourself, you know, seeing.
All right,
Love and blessings, boo boo. All right, and respect.
Man.
Say you always a juggle over you and a nice up a thing. All right.
All right.
Blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Nah, my vex all them shell out Shelly. Yeah, me nah support that. Them violate, them shouldn't beat Shelly. And I'm glad they sort out them go beat Shelly to them. Should I wait till she done? Should I wait till Shelly get like all a look one pop off and what on, who that me just say? Sandy Solid there? Me not think me just say like Sandy Solid. Me could have swear me see something say Sandy Solid or what? Solid, you there? Solid. Let me see Solid. Yeah. Solid, big up yourself, you know, love and blessings, you know. All right, know that. Solid now your time now. The thing I eat up down at Jamaica, you know, election time now. You know, so when that I go out of the Solid, you full of energy. All right. Yo, original people, you know the Queen, Sandy Solid, you know. Okay. Solid, large up yourself, you know. Respect and honor. Okay? The Raga take everything for joke. When you can't stay there and laugh and enjoy on yourself, you know, see how the world's stressful. Hello? You know, me nah eat with nothing in the evening, you know. Me call you, me link you and bring you in and you not talk and whatever, we keep it moving. Hello? All right, next call. You mean about call, you know? Yeah, we're there on breakup mix-up. Any mix-up, when, involving a breakup or a mash-up and relationship done and all these things and whatever. Hello?
Good evening, Raga.
Yeah, wagwan.
Yeah, hear me clearly?
Yeah, man, me I hear you, man. I know. Guess what? You don't even have echo of that, me I tell you.
Oh, my dear on baby father, so I can't talk too loud, you know?
Oh, you there run a baby father so you can't
Yeah.
talk loud?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, based on what you go
So,
talk about.
mm-hmm.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, so, me the sister at one bar
Yeah,
in a one town. So, sometime I did I help her out, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, so this man ever come and one of her best customer ever come and did it. And, I look me, but me never did really interested at the time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so a couple months after now, I finally give in and say
You
me I
give
go give
in,
him
you
a
start
chance.
like him and thing and you give him the run, right? All right.
Yeah. So now, one day, I decide,
Talk a little faster, yeah. Hello? 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 But she's still there, but yeah,
yeah, hear me now?
me just I hear you back now. You did gone a while
Yeah,
ago.
so me that say me decide to go spend one night with him.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So, me reach here from about after 5 to 6 and live about an hour away from where me live.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, we didn't know and run off till about after 8 and we did it and we do a little thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and lay down and I watch some TikTok on him phone.
I watch some TikTok on him phone.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah, and him get a call. Same time him get a call.
Mm-hmm.
But the number save as sister
The
on
call
him
where him get
phone.
the person who it come up in him
Mm-hmm.
phone as sister.
Yeah, that's how I'm baby mother. So the person understand him did and him a talk, but it's like she asked him, oh, you not call me from morning and oh, you not check up on him baby. I
Mm-hmm.
threw me there on him. He not take no call from her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so being over say, oh, you know, call it woman for morning.
You said that to him, oh,
Because
you
me,
know,
I think same sister. Yeah. Me, I think same sisters will say about.
so
So
you
same
think
time,
Sam sister ask him, say, oh, you never call the baby for morning, right?
yeah,
So that's why
yeah.
you go blurt that out.
Mm-hmm. So now, me hear the girl start because I say, oh, that's my background. And, you know,
Yeah.
and me hear this man say, oh, they may come right now. Remember, say me they far from me yard, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and was about 10 minutes after the nothing but call back again.
Mm-hmm.
And him not answer. Remember we just done get to look a sort out.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like him get a text.
Mm-hmm.
And same time the boy run out of house, make it as the damn barn let's go on in there.
Now lie.
God know, rather. God know.
Him get a text.
Yeah.
Him get a text, and when him get the text, him run out of the house naked as a damn and left you one in there.
Make it as the damn barn and let's no one in there. So me know I say, oh him just run out so I'm gone. Me that me I say to myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what say me know me get little time build up one little weed and me did there easy and I think about it.
No. Hold on. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop. You travel more than an hour go check that man the first time, right?
Yes, sir.
And you hear the man phone ring and the phone come up as sister. And you hear the person upon the phone and say, oh, you never go, check your baby mother for man, whatever, blah. You did think I really him sister. right? Then the person say, oh, who that in at the background? Me I come over there right now.
Yeah.
And he come off of the phone. Then after that, the man get a text on him phone when make him run out of the house naked, you say, and left you one in there.
I left my one in there.
And you say after that, what you do is you just build a little spliff and sit up. Yeah, but listen to me. What you say right after that is you build a little spliff and sit down and meds out the situation. You mad? Where?
I don't know the Raga.
But tell me what happened after, because I can't believe you do that. You can't write it for do that, B. Me I keep it real with you. Go and talk. What happened after that?
I don't know how I go reach. So I did it now, I'm slow. I'm here, you know, when I put it in here, click, like, you know, remember, say me lock the door, lock up in there, you know, I run gone left me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, I hear the door click like one key, push it and pull the door.
Yeah.
So, when me look, I see one big woman, you know, bald.
What? You see one big bald woman? One big bald woman?
At that time, him give her a key. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm not left me, you know, the girl have a key to the room. I think I'm myself, I could have in the house and girl come in for me because she have key. But I in there sleep and come in for me, come kill me in the over man.
No, but so when she come in, you know what me know when you hear she when she open the door and
come in now and she pull the door. At that time, the boy that was to follow me downstairs, mother and sister, you know, and in the upstairs. So same time she come in and say, who are you and where Jason? Remember Jason run gonna left me, you know. With Jason there, oh Jason have woman in my yard and left baby for me.
Now what you say in response to
it? At that time, him and the woman live at the same yard, you know, and it seems to me like the girl gone. Or some family gonna stay.
Oh, so the girl lived there too?
Yeah.
But she did stay somewhere else for a while? And I saw him bring you up on the base?
Alright, yes.
So what you say in response? You do something, stop do what you do. You do something else and stop do it and talk to him. What you do what you say when she say who you and Ray, what you do?
Me not say nothing, I don't my mouth, cause the whole time I did my heart a beat. I said, what me I go do now? I told the woman look strong and healthy, like if you grab me, I got me gone.
You're gone.
Yeah, somebody there, I not say nothing. I don't my mouth, she did there sitting and she a cuss and yeah.
Yeah.
And I know me not say nothing, cause at that time the family them come out and I calm her down. Yeah. So
Okay.
at that time, no, none of them never really know me either. Right, first time I go
Oh,
there.
you were the first time you go there was a strange girl on the block, you know? So
yeah.
Them just come and calm her down.
Somebody didn't know. And he's like, I want to his sister. Call me out of the house. And whisper to me, say, Jason, I call you. Whisper me, know the girl go there, you know, cuss and I go on and I call him, I remember him then gone. So the sister called me out of the house and said, Jason, I call you. So me and I walk went out and go up to the top now where him have some friend up there.
Yeah.
You know, you build and chill together and a group of friends. So up there so him run and go. And same time sister call me say, you know, him a call me. When me go up there, me go see him sit down. I ball live here water.
What you mean?
Him sit down like out I cry. Because yeah.
Where my ball
I
for?
was gonna run and grab me, say, what, me, alright? She hurt you.
Hold on. What you say him do? Him a ball and grab you and say, you alright? She hurt you? And that him?
And grab me. And I say, if you're alright, why do you?
What she do you? What she do you?
I remember me afraid.
You're free. Listen to me.
Like me gone out of my right mind.
Me I jump the gun and ask you this, you know. Tell me say you never walk my back your leg for that boy then, you know.
No, me not linking back from that.
You know, okay, you never.
Yeah.
No, me nah
Up to
say
today, they still text, you know.
up to today them still like chew and I look at it.
And that's about 2 years now.
Okay. No, John. Well, you know, sometimes as a man, if you get catch someplace, you have to run, you know? You have to run. I understand that, but no, for him run out of the place and don't ever say something to you like, B, come, we have to Lego. You know, something like, so like, come, we have to Lego out of the house now. Come, we have to go up this. So the fact say him run well left your man and thing, you know? Me nah say him if you play era or whatever this or that, you know. Why if I did one of them take a regular man there who go so boom and a roll with them monkey lotion and all these things and come acid you. You understand? You
Just
know.
to show you, oh man, wicked, because it's like a 1 or 2 day the girl gone listen with her baby. And him kind woman in her house, meanwhile she gone. Anything could happen to me.
Well, what the baby did there?
She did have the baby.
Oh, because she left with the baby for like a couple days.
Yeah.
Nah, when I say even if he might do him thing and whatever, him did have room because she said, what? Me I come over there right now. He is the one to be. Yeah, we have to go let go, you know, because we're not in excitement, you know. I mean, I want anything reach. You understand? Come, we move, we go up the road right there.
Left me.
Nah, man. And then
No,
you
the
rang
kid
too.
run
After I run out of the room and left you one in there and think you boy, yeah, Bill Spliff and a wall of Medi. Like, when you run out of the bratted place too.
But
No.
they far from my yard, you know.
They far from your yard. That is even more reason when you say, where you go? What you mean? Where you go? Where you go? So you not have clothes. I mean, you
Get none of the chance.
no, you're not leaving me in here. Anywhere you go, me I go to and whatever. You bring me come up here and whatever. In fact, you know, I make a leave your place and whatever. Give me taxi fare. I what? Leave. You read the player, you're there on somebody else's base, you don't know the area and thing and whatever. The first time you go there and thing and you know man rate it, and you get all the signal with any woman who that need in another position that what? Which girl that's in the background may I come over there right now. You shouldn't have even tarry boy yeah Bill Spliff this and all them thing there. Look at the place, start cuss out the boy and all them thing there and tell him say, you get Ray, look how you can make all woman a come for me and whatever this and that. You never govern your thing, you know, should have set it so that this not reach. You're gone. You know, and them thing they reach some woman where you see get acid and all them thing there and stab up, you know. And some of them never have the chance to make a move. You did have the chance. You get all of the signal. Them say, yo, a problem on the base a come right, you know. Anytime something like that I go on, people, ladies, listen to the book, listen to the master I got telling the man. Once you hear them thing there, leave, particularly in them times, yeah, man. Leave when woman all have up them gun and all these things. Leave. Just don't bother argue with the man and whatever this and that. So listen, me I leave right here, so you know, boom, 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 and you gone. Where can I get a taxi and whatever? Which way she a come from? I saw she a come from me and go so. Boom, boom, boom. Them look weird. You see me? But I'm glad say, you know, them balance down the thing and, you know, I never really do you nothing and all these things, see? And you're there, you know, you can't come give with a little met and all these things done. All right?
True.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, man, see? Mm-hmm. Natalie, I said, but Raga, you see the boy run left out. No, that. Me I say since the boy run left out, she shouldn't stay in there. Oh man, ladies, not go nowhere with that man, right? And you're there on the man base, a theme base. Think about it. And that's how him live. And him a go get something upon him phone. We make him run out naked, right? Probably him have on him underpants, so naked is relative. So make him run out. So whatever it is, I come a theme place. Him a run out a theme place and I go away. Why you going to stay there? After you're a Black Widow, or Supergirl, or Wonder Woman, or Storm, right? Why you going to stay there? Leave. And don't walk my back your foot for that guy there, because him never protect you, don't. I mean, I say him for do simple thing. B, we have to let go. No, come. And if you I want to talk about you have woman and whatever, you know, worry about that, man. Just come, man. I don't want to sign and because I don't want certain things reach you. Right? Simple thing. I could leave because you protect her. Where she just run it by you and thing and whatever and all these things. Come on, man. A simple thing. It not take much effort to do that. That's all I'm saying. All right. Break up, mix up, or any other mix up on have. All right. Break up, mix up, or any other mix up on have. Yeah. 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 She should have do like Panderak. Look how Panderak take it through the gully and gone and left her look a bag where she look a weekend bag where she Panderak goes Panderak don't even know where she go. Panderak goes and just start ask question and make a man buy her a slippers and keep it moving till she reach back a St. Mary from St. Thomas. Yeah, I saw it for go. Greetings, Wagwan.
Wagwan Raga, you know what long me not listen to you?
Yeah, how long you not listen to me?
From the people them take you off of the ears, sir.
Which one you talk about?
When time the brown broadcasting
Me
you
know,
turn off
that say
like
them
all
take me
you
off and thing, but I chew me this send something to them and say me I leave and this is my last show.
me know, but if me not talk about that, you know, for whatever reason I want me just tell you how long me not listen to you.
See it there. Give thanks, man. Give thanks. So I go down, you know.
Yeah man. Nothing sir. Me just their work and me a tune in.
Oh,
Then
seeing?
right the people them clock.
Seeing? Right, the people, them, L is in that word, right? Clock. A clock, yes, sir, right?
Clock. A clock. Yes.
Yeah. Well, we have to be careful, you know, because when you say right, the people, them clock. We have to make, say one L it in, yeah. One L it in there, you know. You know, so me hear what you say, I trouble me, I met, no. Ah, boy, see. But blessings, man, respect and honor, man, see?
Yeah man.
All right, no say a word, man. You just give you a yell.
No man, me go talk to you from your story, so
Oh,
you know.
okay, send on.
A bun story you have to talk about our ex story.
It no
Me I
matter.
go talk about
Yeah, say what you say, man. It no matter.
me I go talk about my children them father.
Yeah.
Sister clean wicked son. Me say no, fan ball. Me need to talk from your 18.
Yeah.
And it's like every time the boy they take off his pants and him up in grade me.
Anytime, every talk in
Every
iPhone, talk
time.
directly in iPhone, yeah. Hello? Well, on the people. Sometime may I get used to this. Yeah, so she come back now. Yeah.
Me say anytime he take
Yes,
off his
man.
pants and hang
Anything you do right now, we are hear you loud and clear right now.
Good.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. So you
So,
say
you know,
anytime the boy take off him pants and hang it up, you inbreed you.
yeah.
That bad. You and him match.
And me I tell you say you know Raga, you know. Time that boy I give me bun till me not know why you know. And me I walk and the war girl and the big girl, you know.
Yeah, walk.
So
You did a big girl, a big
the
girl
war
film
girl
though.
me war girl hey, I me want hear say man somebody there, me want search your phone and see.
And find that and beat
girl.
that, yeah.
Terrorized girl. I me tell you say you know, when me pregnant with my last one, you know, me say, all right, a bun for bun now. Me I wait for you pick the ban, you know. I'm sorry for him, man. Fire truck have to go out him.
Yeah.
Me say, no, man. Me, night job. Find one little spooky down there. Feel nice and everything, you know. Because
Yeah.
when you go there with one man for all long. And you love him, but in a one way you're frustrated with him and then something then you get somebody new.
Wait, one second. Listen, Anira do a show, me I go shout you back when we're done, yeah? Yeah, go on, talk.
So me and the little youth start the talk and the go on.
Yeah.
We are age group. Lunchtime, we are carry him go eat. My friend them I say, watch ya. You find somebody, man. And the things are going, you know.
So when I and the little spooky the out right now, now dugu and a hook and all these things, don't it?
We are who can a joke.
Who can I joke? Okay. Jokings are going. Okay.
Jokings are going.
Yeah.
And remember one Friday night, me tell me Samantha, you have to stay with your picking them tonight, you know, because the whole of we at work I got a movie. Well, him name the work. My
Yeah.
sister them decide to then go watch the picking them. Because everybody want me to burn him, you know.
Oh, okay. Because them say him deserve to get born,
Yeah,
right?
he deserve to get him, man.
Right. Okay.
And me tell you, say, we go a movie and we over there. And Mr. Man, they kick up dirt, you know. And I bad up himself that say, yo, me I present myself on a movie and make sure see you out the door, me I can't carry a guy in yard. Me say,
Yeah.
Me say to them people, they say, hey, him a come. Everybody jump out and say, make we move from here, so. Where we are go? Me them a ask, you know. Me is an inexperienced girl with everything, you know, me no know nothing, you know.
Nah, well, you miss something. You miss something. You know. When him tell us
go-
him I come out a movie and thing, where were you at this point?
Movies.
You did that movie for true?
Yes.
Oh, so you did that movie for true?
Yeah, but me and Spooky did a movie.
You and Spooky that movie. So,
Yeah.
I tell you, no
And a couple
woman.
more people from work.
And couple more people that, hey, people, me I tell you, do not listen Raga long time. You may tell you,
But-
say, when woman
Raga,
do them
I know
thing.
like him a carry me go a movie, you know, the only place him a carry me go a clinic, you know.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yes.
Him not carry a movie.
He not carry me go movie, he not carry me go nowhere, a clinic alone, me a go.
A clinic alone, him go with you. Yeah. For go
And
get
not even go with me, carry me.
and carry you go get the ultrasound. I carry for just push
I
out
carry
the
the pick them go 6 week clinic, 3 months clinic or whatever.
and that's that are the only place
And
him
that
carry.
is it.
And Spooky carry go movie down.
Puggy carry me go on a movie.
Yeah. Carry on
So when-
dates and all these things, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
So when
So
you
when
say
they-
to them, say, yo, Mr. Man, I come over here now, you know, and whatever, what happened now?
Everybody are splitting up because baby father police, you know, you have the government gun with him.
Oh, okay. So this man that we are work woman over is a police. All this police. Yeah, okay, all right.
Is a police who when they go to training school, I will have me money, me give him 2 young people. One at 18, one at 19. Down to the white pillowcase so I buy go up there, my granny money, me teeth and buy game.
Jeez and peace. Well, when him a go training school and thing,
Yes.
you thief your granny money and buy pillowcase game, dog.
Down to the white pillowcase.
What
When
a
half a car
what a way you dey love
and my
him.
granny money.
And things. So when him say him a come down, they know you did that with Spooky, you know. What did happen after that?
We move before the patrol car come.
Okay.
So them say, make me say, make we go to Negril, because I've never been to Negril. Go to Negril, they say, which part of Negril you come? The only thing me know was Margaritaville. So we say, we go down there.
No, but what you did there at the movie? Where were you? Where the movie did there?
Mobie,
Mobby.
Palace
He said when him a come out now, come out now, on a shot he go all the way down a Negril.
all the way down to Negril. He can't come so far. That's out of him jurisdiction.
Okay, all right, go and talk, yeah.
So we reach a Negril and reach a Margaritaville.
Yeah,
Down there, when we reach down there, nothing now go on. I want Thursday night.
yeah,
Nothing now go on.
yeah.
But the secretary say one go club named Scrubber Dub.
No,
Go down
man.
the road.
Yeah, a Scrubber, yeah, Scrubber Dub. Yeah, man, I've hosted certain shows over Scrubber Dub and thing. Yeah, yeah.
God, Scrubber Dub, you know, man, have a damn good time.
Scrubber
time
Dub
they-
nice, man, I like Scrubber Dub nice. Them go out with the something them in
Then
there.
go on
and-
with them singing, man. That one
and
time
the-
when they wonder if me a lesbian.
No, but listen now. You see, before the sex pan stage thing bust at Jamaica, Scrubber Dub arranged that long time, you know. Yeah, Scrubber Dub arranged that long time, the sex pan stage. You remember after a while, it did just bust in Jamaica all about. But when people never know Scrubber Dub arranged, and I quite a few shows I host down at Scrubber Dub, man. And I never did anything when I go there. I just want people know. I hosted the show, go on with my things, them and whatever. And I never did anything there. And if I stayed there and I go there, it was purely for research because I was involved with certain things in
Every
academia.
go-go club in Jamaica, me go, then always they tell me, say, them things they go on pan stage. When me go, they me never see it.
You never see that as Scrubber Dub?
Never see it as Scrubber Dub.
Nah, but you got up on Ben Johnson there. You got up on a Thursday, money. Well, Nah, you know Thursday I Ben Johnson day in Jamaica, you know. You know, on the money night, man. It's all about the money when you go scrub it up, you know. It's all about the money when you scrub it up, man. Scrub it up a sample piece. I mean, when them start out on stage, you know, them go hard. And then now the woman them a scrub it up, them can dance. Them really can dance, you know. But anyway, go and talk. So you're going on a scrub it up with Spooky.
Yeah, man, and the other friend them, like 3 car full of left maybe go down there.
Go down there. Just for avoid your baby father, though.
Just for avoid him.
And we had a wonderful time. On the stay down there that night, eh?
Yeah. And we are work the next morning, you know.
Jeez and peace. So
when everybody else in the club,
yeah.
me and Spooky go out the door in the car, man.
Jeez. And then go shellings down.
We put the car in we drive when we are doing things, we put the car in accidentally in one gear. When it's time for a drive off, we don't know what to do to get it back in the next gear. Or
one of the stuck in a gear, one of the Indian thing, something like so down. And couldn't get it back out of gear, one of for move down.
Yeah.
So under the stay in the car, we're not doing a thing though. You never outside like up with your foot.
In the car we went there.
Okay, you never put your foot up on the bonnet or go at the back and bend over.
All of them something. You know till I say car can't move when you're ready to go.
Jeez and peace. But you did live that life and thing, you know. And you don't know say a true baby father did that stress you out. Spooky was just a relief,
look,
you know.
Man, you see when me reach home the morning.
Yeah.
Reach home before it being about 6 o'clock. In Kiki Grill coming in and me say, even if I shoot him, I shoot me to them in a business because me are dead happy.
Yeah. You're dead happy. Because you know one good sort out, good nigger sort out from Spooky, no?
Yeah, man.
All right. So what did go down? Why him just kind of calm down after that?
No, he went come and they want war, but my little sister went there, you know, man, and she has said, yeah, come here and they can call, they load up your mouth. The war went go carry on from there, so.
Oh, okay. And I'm have to love it.
It.
And then eventually, what you just decide, say, boy, you have to just take away yourself from him, though.
You know, say, when he realized a police, you know, in doing liquor something and find out how, you know, and then make Spooky catch you afraid. Spooky take away himself from me.
No, you know, say, that mean I like with the police, them. Enough time the police them go on with them.
You see how in the camp, they go look smarty in the force, upper ranks over him.
What you do what?
Me go find everybody when me go there with, intimidate them and everything and make them go. Me go find somebody who are rank over him.
Hold on. Hold on. What was theme rank?
A regular constable.
Regular constable. So what you got to do? One sergeant, one inspector?
One sergeant.
One sergeant. So you got to take one sergeant and him couldn't go bad up his sarge, no?
Me and him went left, you know, but him not decide see I left, you know. After many more sitting after we go discover one pit, why have how much years they hide. You say, okay, don't you answer?
Oh, okay. So me ask you, when you did there with the sergeant, whatever, him did want to go on anyway answer?
Yeah, he did want to carry on.
And whatever, but him know say him couldn't step to the sergeant, don't?
Couldn't step to him.
Yeah, because the sergeant not eat that either, don't?
Yo, one night, you know, me and the sergeant go out, you know. Me and him were left, you know. But he still go and knock he own up.
Yeah.
So me say, me and the sergeant left somewhere and me see somebody suspiciously look for me. Right, me don't know if you know about here, you know. You see right around that Barnet Bridge, around the way gas station there, you know, where they fix tire.
Yeah.
Me not even know if they still fix tire around there. So.
No, not about the extra thing. Just say, yeah, yeah.
Me and the sergeant around there fix one tire when me see one Jeep pull up. And it look like a imminent, you know. And now we me catch me afraid, you know, me say, yes, me and me sergeant were in the early days yet, you know. Me don't know if how far this go or what. And me say, somebody a peep there, so you know. Me kind of take one myself from the sergeant, you know, because me say, if I not, you know, me I jump off in the Mobile River, you know. Make it two of them shoot you out with government gun.
Yeah, because you know, you're gonna be the only one without gun there, so. I have some man, them no business, you know, anything. You have some man do some crazy thing for front, you know, for woman, you know. Yeah. So what, him never come out of vehicle?
I ain't him.
I never him. Okay, but he just get boomy.
Yeah, man, paranoid.
Okay, one of them things. Anyway, balance up your thing and, you know, it's all God. Spooky did have to run reporting.
I'm in love him, you know.
And you did love Spooky? Oh, God. Oh, God. Spooky did have to run. Me no wrong Spooky. Me no wrong Spooky. And time me did I talk to one girl, you know, nice girl too. A nice girl. I go beauty school and all these things and whatever. Pleasant girl and whatever. Then me find out say she have a brother who a soldier who everybody know a madman. Kill people. Then they were on police. The police one him never so bad. But him a police still. And then she have another our brother them, you know. When I said they with our brother them I talk about, you know. Then another brother now. I mean I end up turn for friend after, you know, but at that time we just know I'm a proper gunman. Me don't know how the family stays, you know. Police, soldier, and gunman. 3 brother. You see when me hear that, them time of me a young youth, the Stone Hill Art Academy, you know. It's when me hear that, me just why? I don't know, you know. I don't know. I just take time to take with myself, you know, because, you know, it's certainly look a thing and whatever, yeah. So I understand when Spooky take with himself, yeah, man. You see it. Spooky no one, Spooky can't manage the heat there in the kitchen, you see.
But even after me and him left, you know, me there with somebody else, you know, and somebody take with themselves because I am a long time after somebody, so you know, say, everywhere me show up, me see him there, me kind of catch me free and sitting.
Yeah, no police go out with them, son. Anyway, bless up yourself here.
Yeah, man.
Protection, cool. Boy, Spooky get a raw deal. Man, intimidate Spooky. Jimmy Q, big up yourself. Yeah, man, I try bringing some people here and see what I go on, you know. Tap, pada, pop, 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 pop. Oh.
What?
Greetings.
We are dealing with it.
Monday, you know, yeah, say.
Monday. You don't know so what year ago when we there and give the story when we put the condom wrap up on my head under my hat. You remember?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I did you. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, said the girl did dip on the life with you. Me and book up in a weekend.
You and I book up.
Yeah, kind of dip on the live and when me a chat. I mean, no.
Oh, I want to go down.
No, you know, so I say, can't believe I'm come tell a story. You say, I laugh, you laugh, man.
I laugh, shall laugh, I think. Memories, don't. Shall remember something of them, don't.
You want to go on, you give you a piece of history.
Yeah.
All right, so.
Wait the 1 second, 1 second. Wait the 1 second. Everybody over here, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now, please. Follow me now. If you're not follow Ragashanti yet, follow me right now. Just follow me right now and share the live too. But follow me. Yeah, Nicky the best, me see you. Yeah, Bulldog. Tash. See them a Honey. All of them a come through there now. Victoria. Me can't even keep up with them. Carmen. Maxine. Yeah, if you're dep on the live right now, you're not follow me right now. Cardiff. Irie girl, big up yourself. Yeah, follow me right now. I say me follow you. Cynthia BL, big up yourself, man. Gossa, man. Seen Rusella. Sexy Neefy. Yeah, follow me right now and share up the live to one thing. Follow me right now if you're dep on it. See? Yeah, tell them, Jimmy. And Karma say you have a drama for me. Yo, try bring it in, you know. All right, through the brown, large up one thing. Yeah, my general, rinse, you know.
Yeah, father, so.
Yeah.
I get to work our hotel. I'm a Westmoreland man,
See?
Yeah, but I'm born in education, I'm a bright boy, so I get a supervisor job.
Yeah, bright boy.
Yeah, man.
I like what you're saying. I like what you're saying. I'm a bright boy. Yeah.
I work at front of house. I work at guest relations. We do the problem them in our hotel.
Yeah.
So you know when I go walk in that, I'm sharp like a glass in the man.
Uh-huh.
Best socks them. See me then sharp in a pants, best square more.
Clean to your step, yeah.
Oh God.
Mm.
Touch on 2 cologne for me shot. I done it.
Yeah, them dead. All of them dead.
Yeah, daddy, yeah, man. I'm in school, I go, man. See, you know, what's that? Me in the hotel, I work, you know, see, I work a nice brown, you know, work a concierge.
Yeah.
Girl, people love me out. Then time I drive on 2-door, integral, and red one. What piece out there, man?
Excuse, I don't mean to be rude, people, but that is what back in the day we'd refer to as a drop drawers car. But go on.
See, you know, say, book up the girl now and in her ears till me finally convince her, say, you are going on, me I have to link up.
Something I go on.
Yeah. So you are going on, me and my mother living in the same community.
Yeah.
But she live out on the main road and I live down in a lane.
Okay.
So my mother house down in the lane, you know. Down, me used to live down in my mother yard.
Yeah.
So here I do no raga. Me rent to a house on the lane.
You rent a house on the same lane where you live?
Yeah, but my baby man don't know about it.
Okay, yeah.
I'm a little temple when I go to them about this.
Yeah, ramping shop, yeah.
Anyway, long and short of the story, one night, the girl decides she'll forward with me. And me and her stop at Jamaica Tambourine. Down and the girl have a few drinks. Drink up my compare and sit in the car. I must work, I go work in Reggae. I go tamp my class and I'm my first time this end of my car. I go look like I eat that. So here me used to do now. Me park the car over my mother yard and go back over the temple.
Which is right.
Yeah, because I remember now saying, no, she don't know me rent that place there. No.
She who?
My baby mother.
Oh, right, good. Okay.
Yeah, man. So you know, say, the rain come down. And I say, all right, here me so park the car the first time and I just go in tier 1 and then forward out back and move the car.
I move the car.
Raga.
Yeah.
Sun hot when we wake up next morning.
No, well, you jump asleep, dog.
Raga, I say me jump asleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. The miss call upon my phone as me jump out of sleep now because you are going on. My baby mother used to work on next hotel and everything. So we have to go out there in the morning, carry her go catch the staff bus, and then forward back down on the lane.
Yeah.
When me wake up, I see my phone ring. When me look out the door, my son hot. Wake up, girl, and say, girl, look at her. Wake up.
Movements, yeah.
Me only hear my phone ring again. Me look for them, me answer my father. Yeah, my father. You know, long me I call him. I say, oh, your baby mother over here, you know. He come put on your baby, and he in a fighting shot, so you know that go.
Hold on. Your father say your baby mother over there, she put on the baby and she in her fighting shot. So them know one war shot where she have.
I know literally say, she in a shot, you know. But he know what I got.
He know what I got. Okay, all right then. See, say, yo, say my gear the edge up. Dog, balance your thing, you know, she there, you know, so
boom now.
Yeah.
The landlord. I'm on name Brother Men.
What the landlord name?
Brother Mendes.
Oh, Brother Mendes. I think it's a men.
So I say, Brother Mendes, do me a big lock up the girl in her room for me. Be a mother come over here. Brother Mendes, I said to him, say, yo, Jesus, peace. How much time I want you? Because Brother Mendes, I can't get them regular, you know what's going on.
Yeah.
Anyway, maybe a mother reach over there. The grill did open. And that's why I believe in a tower bolt for a door and a ragga. Because I say, the tower bolt, he couldn't come in.
She couldn't come in, she?
Yeah, maybe a mother, she couldn't forward in there.
So what? I tell you what?
Yeah, I go tell her now, man, he goes, so, boom, fling one building block in the door.
One building block in the door, she fling one building block.
Yeah, because just a regular doorknob. Another regular doorknob then.
Yeah.
Kick off the door. Like a police.
Yeah.
And forward in there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, hotel girl in there. Alright, everything mash up. Big on a fight, brother.
Who
Una
a
fight
fight?
her.
Who a fight?
She grab land for me. I remember say the girl lock up in the landlord room.
Oh, yes. So she rush you.
Yeah. And he goes to boom and back up the ice picking up and she have ice picking up. Me have a buck her in her nose bridge so like a MacGyver.
I'm sorry. I guess I'm not supposed to be laughing. So when she back out the ice pick at tea, you couldn't do better about
rush me.
buck her in her nose bridge, no?
Yeah, when I call me, look at me and say, baby, that's easy.
Calm her though,
Yeah,
yeah.
I say, no bother them.
Yeah. So when
Yeah,
you
so
buck
look at
her
me,
in her
alright,
nose,
you
can you
win.
say she thick? Your baby mother
Shampoo
thick. Your baby mother thick. Eh? Well, and it do that thing there again. Him soon forward. But I don't know. It's a thing that TikTok though. It might look like the people them go, but then them come back. The man say buck her in her nose bridge and thing and whatever. And why? That's something there with woman with violence, and I tell you, I hope him come back in because he's still there, Or he look like him get cut off. Nah, that's something there, man, that anybody who listen to me a long time, and know about my little acid situation on a Ministry of Education there and down upper, real quickly, people, when me there high school, Calabar, you don't know, you look at Jamaican thing, and you swear say you're this and that and whatever, Ray. And there's a time, I know, like badness, not badness, but like you feel like, say, you feel like you're stolen, whatever, I look at girlfriend and thing and whatever, you see. But I don't know if you're not familiar with Ministry of Education, like, the next to, the side where they to the big tree. I wish part this, Alman Town, this, yeah. Near to, right, beside Eros Park. But on the side of Ministry of Education, you have one step where just go all the way up. It's almost like a fire escape step in America. But Almantown. So for whatever reason, it was like, sometime when you go to school, you just hang out on the step there. You just go there and hang out on the step. It's like a school thing. I don't know. Whatever. But anyway. So I know I have my little girlfriend, but I'm going to get somebody else, I was school, she did go. Almost all the family, she did go, whatever. You have a little girlfriend, and them time there, if you see them time there, if you carry a girlfriend, go up a half a tree and just walk past the store, that's a date, right? Back in them days, you go uptown, you go half a tree, a date. You're on a date. You understand? So I carry my girl to Ministry of Education steps. Yeah. My little girlfriend, And when I Ministry of Education step, whatever, I tell you something, I'm there up on the step, whatever. And I could have look weird on and thing, and my girl I come down and thing, and whatever, and she said, come down. I'm up there with my, my new girl, my side girl, I look down, but I know what they say. You know that stand up. You have a thing with Jamaican woman do, right? I know what some Jamaican woman have a way, you see. Like sometime when them get mad, them a shake one foot. Me can't show on the right answer, but them a stand up on one foot and shake. Them a talk to you, Like them a cuss and say, come now, see what you gonna do. And them just a shake one foot. You say anytime a Jamaican woman a do that, you in a trouble. Anytime you hear a Jamaican woman depend. Come man, come here. Come now. Come here, may I talk to you. Come here. But them a shake. You see, anytime you see that shake there, a problem. So me know I see a problem, I see my girl stand up. But she stand up with her hand so. And she now move the hand. So me just say, you don't know. Man, a general and thing, and we can govern with things. So, you understand? We're not afraid of nobody and all them things. So I tell the beast to come and just walk down behind me, man, or whatever. Because the girl, she a church girl, She got whole family, but she did not go to church, to East Queen Street Baptist Church. So she a good girl. She don't know about that street something there and that war something there, So we come down and she said, come here. But you see, my girl is too calm. When I look at calm something there and whatever, and the shake thing I go on, something I right. So I sense it, but I never really know what I go on. But you don't know, you can't punk out the thing, them time they are youth and whatever. So I come down and I just tell her, I say, what behind me, man, and whatever, and thing like that, and whatever. She come down behind me, and I forgot what my girl said, like a she and whatever. I think I never know whatever this, because the worst thing I can do, people, you see, if you have a spot where you and your woman meet or a spot, something we want to do together, and then you can bring one another woman there. I one of the wickedest thing you can do to a woman, Say, we have one tree, we oak garden tree, we want to give them the first kiss or something, and that's so, anytime we go oak garden, a tree there, whatever, this and that. And then say something go down there, you go on with something or whatever, and then you go make your woman say, hold on, you bring her go out with tree, you bring her go our tree, and then you're dead right then. So you know, say me they bring my girl go there. Yeah, we did do the little stairs thing beside me. Me not sound like a big deal to them. When you're young and all them thing, you pick now whatever. The stairs was a big deal. So my girl vexed about the stairs, And then now when we come down now, I be a bad up a go on, but my wallet, me I say, well, I do that's cool, man. That's cool, man. It's a misunderstanding you have. Me and her, they just attack and whatever. You go and you look at generalship and whatever. We say, we just attack and whatever, a church sister and whatever. I tell us a church sister. We never did that do nothing. We could have do nothing. Stairs with the pan. What we could have do? Say a big public thing and whatever. Reason and thing and whatever. I'm just tell my girl, I say, just go on here, go on home. And then, she go like, she want to come talk to the girl. So I just come over and said, nah, wait. People, who don't know a rum flask, we call it, it's not, the true name for a flask is really a metal thing with a slight bend in it, a man drink for. But for whatever reason, Jamaicans end up a call the liquor bottle of white rum, we end up a call that flask. So, white rum is a big deal at Jamaica. So I'm not saying, give me a flask of white rum, and it's the little square buckle. Who remember that square buckle? Yeah, the little flat square buckle. And one of them, let me see my girl come out with it, but yes, when she come out with it, when she come out from back her, I see she hold it off. She hold off the buckle. She hold off the buckle from herself. And the buckle no cover. And smoke a come out of the buckle. And whatever in the buckle, black. You what me I say, remember, white rum coming out that, when white rum in them buckle, you can't see white rum look like water. So she, and me I grew up in Jamaica, me never really know about acid, Me know about acid, you know about monkey lotion, but me never actually see acid, So but when the buckle come out, me know say, and a white rum in the buckle, and the buckle uncover, and whatever in the buckle black, and whatever in the buckle smoke a come out of it, So my girl, like, what that? You don't know what? Say, what that? You don't know what? You don't know what? You see from me, she come, so. I'm going to take off, and I see that back of me, people. And me run toward the fence, the Ministry of Education fence, and fly over the fence there. You know the road was circle, Hero Circle. Fly over the road there and run through Heroes Park, run past Marcus Garvey grave, the people in grave and whatever, and I shot it to me. Because they know say Woolman's school them up there, so now. I mean, I run and I see that back of me, and I don't know say I sit in the back now when I run, so. I run and I scream like a little bitch, I ball out, murder, why? Run, and my mind did that say for like, if we go left, and go over Kingston Senior, we are go back down to Fletcher's Land, we come turn idiot. So it's like me I run so I think, but she never come in, because I can't run, But she fast, like I would never know say such a fast. So me I run and me I scream out, murder, why? And she never come in, and then the back. Me end up turn back, so now and I go straight up now. Who know what me I talk about, like I go up to Tarrington Bridge, Me I run and she never come in. People, you don't know, somebody me reach up a time, I don't know if I the stress I want take me, I want me tired, like me run out of it like my boss. And it's like, say, she can't get tired, I'm start ball, oh, brother, I'm going dead, boy, help. I mean, I run all the way across Heroes Park, you know, people go run out of Heroes Park now and come out of Tarrington Bridge, this and all and thing. Shot cross the road, shot cross Slipe Road, and I run go down that little dirt part and out. So you know, so I go towards Jonestown now, Craigtown side. I run, I'm tired and I'm tired of it. I said, Jesus God, she go acid me. And this little girl in a Jamaica, when you have long bread, them say you have donkey bread. Yeah, she have donkey bread, because like she never had no tired at all. I run. But you have a police station there near to the hospital. You know, that look hospital, the pan Slipen Road, back in the day when anybody get gonorrhea, them something that the hospital, they go get you shot them. I never been there, I never catch that yet. But anyway, we do it. I mean, I run, I go up to the police station. And the girl about coming. And when me reach that police station, I couldn't do no better. I just go say one long dive and dive straight across the police. You know the police, them have them desk. Me just straight across, drop and probably nearly broke up on some part of me. I drop over there and I say, officer. And the police them go say, boom and back. Them going to me and tell me, say, officer, acid, chef, acid. And then them turn around and look on her and them say, hey girl, come out of the place, or whatever. And I saw she back off. And thing and them ease her off. I don't know what a police station there, Admiral. I don't know what the police station, but you don't know what the police station me attack it. They back the Slipen Road, whatever. And I just in them and them say, move from here, so whatever and thing. And she say, you're gonna live in there, you're not come out. Yeah. You're gonna live in there. You're not come out. Ooh. And I just stay in them and the police them after a while. She go, like, me think she did go away, but, you know, the police them say, you can't leave, no, you know. I say, officer, I know, so I'm not ready yet. And I know you can't stay here forever, you know, youth. And I say, I know, man, but please, I beg you, make me just stay a little longer. And I say, just so you know, you can't stay overnight or whatever, you have to go out and thing. And whatever. And I said, nah, man, she not out there. I said, nah, man, she could have out there hide, man. They, you know, she, I'm going to tell him, say, I wait on a Ministry of Education, she run me down from, you know, and she have donkey bread, she can't get tired. You understand? And you know, say nobody with me and I ever do it. You know, you're young. We don't even ever do nothing. We did, you know, when you're young and you kiss long and think you have sex. That's all we did do, you know. We just kiss long. But in your mind, you're the boss, you know, cause yeah. I never want to come out there, you know, until whatever, you know. And I lay it down in the night, you know, them say, you have to go leave now, you know. You really have to go leave now, you know. She gone, man, and, you know, but just come out and map out the place and thing and whatever, you know. And then the next day, them time, you know, you did have D&G soda. Remember D&G soda? D&G soda still in Jamaica, I don't know. So she loved the pineapple D&G soda, you know. So the next day, I just buy her two we buy her two pineapple D&G soda. I carry go give her and take at lunchtime and take and she say, what have you? You never buy me soda yet. I just, no, you know, it's two soda here, man. And think she said, oh, me I go drink two soda now and whatever. Why you never buy one? I said, no, man, well, two. And think and whatever. She look for me like, you must think she be a idiot or whatever, I'm afraid of her. But after that, you just take time to take myself from her because I couldn't manage or something there. So you see that violence thing there with woman and them thing there, we grew up around or something there, you know. We see enough woman get acid and all them thing there, whatever, you know. Once a woman show you them signal, them man, to all the youth them out there and thing and whatever, yeah, understand yourself, man. Just know where you can deal with that, know where you can. If you're not gunman and bad man and all them something there where you can hold certain order with a woman and thing. If you see a social flow, just govern your thing and take with yourself when you can. Hear, sir? Know where you can manage and know where you know, where you can deal with and where you can't deal with. Nobody playing a hero with certain things, you see me? Yeah. Nah, man, me I tell you, say, me done tired from halfway across hero circle, you know. Me tell you, you know, you say you boss, you run till you boss. Like me I breathe like donkey. I saw me I run and I breathe, you know, me I tell you, you know, that the time, anybody know if it ain't at the middle of hero circle from this up, to over the police station there if go over Jonestown, Craigtown side there, over there. So it's a good distance that, you know. So just imagine say me bus from in the Migla Euro Circle, you know, me still have to run the whole of that thing there for cross a road, you know, past, you know, a Woolman's boys school on the side, the back of Woolman's girls school, and come and cross back a road out Sly Pen Road there, and then for go down over that area there, back at the hospital, move from Slipe Road and go up on Sly Pen Road and then go Vipol. Man, I tell you when I'm done, man, yeah, them type of breathing, the man, depan and thing, you see. Those were the days. That's why Madoman, I like Madoman. I like Madoman. You can't stay around there. Don't come around me. You know. Can't manage a Madoman them, you know. You have some woman, man, them will take it to you, man, and go on with them something there. Me know a man and woman there, you know, woman stab up him, man, you know, and the man still there with her, you know. All them something that I can't understand, you know. Now, man, you stab me up, man, me and you done. We done this, sir. Yo, again, if you watch the show right now, you know, follow me right now, please. Follow me right now. If you watch it live right now, you know, follow me now. Somebody asked, where is she now? What do I know? You know, me tell you, say, I picked them time there. I young picked them time there. I don't know what she there right now. Try brigade. Some. Hello.
We have iron.
Hello.
Nobody made me start to
Hello.
diamonds are probably one of the most no, but diamonds are the most valuable word.
Hello. Sometimes people are coming and them nah.
Yeah, man, me there, man. You hear me?
Yeah, man, may I hear
Man,
you?
me there, man. You hear me?
Yeah, man, may I hear
Man,
you?
me there, man. You hear me?
Yeah, man, may I hear you? Stop.
Yeah.
Turn
Yeah,
off
man.
the. Okay.
Turn off the one there.
Yeah, okay, good.
You good now?
Yeah.
What me not hear you?
You not hear me? Then you see the other one, him turn off the other one, you know? Yeah, man, if you over here and you watch a show, you know, follow me now. You want to big up all man town crew, you know, large up on yourself, you know. All of them area, the Alman Town, Franklin Town. Hello.
No, by mistake, you know. No.
Oh, all right, not a problem. Okay. Yeah, I guess some people accidentally send them request more wine, you know? Try somebody else.
Raga,
Whoa.
Evelyn,
Yeah.
may I listen to your story and may I type and ask you say if you see the girl if you remember.
Yeah, man. I mean, a long time, you know.
Yeah, but you don't remember.
No, I remember she.
Raga, you make me laugh. Me say me laugh a while ago till me cry.
Me never did a laugh, though.
You have to laugh them time.
No, me.
Their life you run from.
If I tell you, man, and whatever, man, I tell you, man, it's just blood curdling scream, man. If you just hear me scream like a little big, old careless, murder! Help! Somebody help me! Stop her! Murder! And just a run, you know? Don't stop, you know? You stop, you're going to meet Jamaica right this and
Yeah,
thing.
pick
Nah,
up yourself still, Raga. I love your show. A long time I watch your Tambourine.
it got some
Yeah,
man,
long
blessings,
time.
man. You know who you
Yeah.
sound like? And boy, may her soul rest in peace and thing. If you had listened a long time, you must remember Jennifer Goodas. You remember Jennifer Goodas?
Yes,
Yeah, man, you have a look of sound like her. And a while ago, you come on and I tell her, Jennifer, you know, boy, I'm a look of sister,
Yeah.
you know, you look of cancer, go beat her over there, you know.
Beat her,
Yeah,
yes.
you know, but we give thanks and thing, you know.
Condolences.
You got some, man. Bless up yourself,
Yeah,
yeah?
big up yourself, Raga.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Anna, cool. Yeah, we could bring in somebody. Yeah, break up. Oh. Okay, hello. Hello. Nah, you hear nobody there, so. Break up, mix up, or any other mix up one have. Yes, somebody else said she took me right back to Jennifer Goodas days, you know. Raga, where is Marie? Edgar, Marie there, Jamaica, same place there, you know. Same place down the Arnett Garden there, you know. Jungle, the thing, the fear, you see it. Karma, but Raga, you got to take over TikTok now. I don't know about that. Where is Biggie? Biggie up here. Biggie there in New York. Good evening. People, just pay attention to the phone, yeah? So, if you not come in, and if we bringing in, all right, let me just clear this. Break up, mix up, or any other mix up. Raga, I remember the session about 10 years ago with the security. Raga, you remember the session about 10 years ago with the security. I don't know what you mean, you know, that just sound broad and, you know, I don't know. Oh, yeah. That what a person said. Them kids, mommy, Raga, me left my man. You left your man? You left your man? You make me know say you left your man. Why you leave your man? See. RCM tours. Come in then, man, since you want to say what you say. Raga, where is Blue Steel from Trinidad? I'm not Blue Steel. I know who you refer to, man. She used to shell down out there, man. No, man, she heal me what day, man. She still there Trinidad and thing and whatever. She heal me what day too and thing and whatever on Facebook, you know. No, me still my drop out, you know. Blue Sky. Yeah, Blue Sky Waters from Trinidad. That she I refer to. No. Yeah, man, she's still there Trinidad and thing. Hello?
Raga, what go on?
They in a family, where you say?
Yeah, man, I give her thanks and stuff.
You see it?
You know, say, now like I think one dashboard pound still.
Yeah, say that.
You see, back in the early 90s.
Mm-hmm.
No, late 90s. You know?
Yeah.
Working a niggle in the entertainment department and stuff.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
From Mochi.
Yeah.
They are niggle, so we're hot boy and niggle, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We are run through hotel. Every department we are run through and thing.
Yeah.
And Mr. Raga, but I cat from housekeeping.
Mm-hmm.
Angel. Pretty like a money. I say, Raga, I get her be a big talk.
Yeah.
Top up the chest and thing.
Yeah.
One day she say, yo, I can give it to you today.
Well on. You have something to play the show here?
Hey, I'm a cameraman.
No, but you can't turn down the show. Don't make the show playing at the background, so when you talk right here, yeah.
All right, yeah, me know.
No, we're here, you know. We just don't want to hear the show in the background. Okay, go on, talk.
Yeah, you're the show?
No, we're not hear it now.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Boy, she said, boy, Raga, I can give it to you today now. I'm going to say,
yeah.
And boy, Raga, I go for one of them pill, what they call it, the bomb. You must know about the bomb pill.
No, boom, yeah, boom.
A boom.
Yeah,
the
boom.
white pill there.
Yes, I read about it. I read about it. The little one there, you can't even take the whole light. You have to bite half of it. Yeah, that one that make you yarn. It's same one, boom. Yeah, but it make you start
two
out.
me take two. Well, I know.
Well,
take
you
two.
take two, boom.
Two. I take two.
Listen, from what I have read, from what I have read.
About,
yeah, go
about treating me walking.
Eh?
I'm say, oh, but Jesus, I know.
Yeah.
I will start play around hunting ragga. I say, about 2 minutes, Rasta pop off.
Well, you take two boom and you pop up. Well, you hear me? You hear me?
Me I hear loud and clear.
Well, you take two boom and pop off in 2 minutes.
2 minutes, pop off. Or less than 2 minutes, pop off.
I never boom you take, man. I did overly excited.
So relax. Eh?
No, man, I never boom you take, man.
I say, I boom.
You may think a boom, man. A bandolo them sell you, man. And a boom. You can't take two boom. First of all, if you take... Anyway, go on, time.
In the 90s, I buy from pharmacy, man. And I say, when papa for ragga, she mama beat it, she mama everything. She bend it, she twist it, she put everything. I say, man, I was so relaxed, man, but couldn't perform at all. I say, I shame. Can't look at mama here, you know. I said, brother.
And I eat that.
Again.
And I eat that.
Our different catty.
Well, I know how you feel the way, but the mix-up never did it, so, you know. Yo, you have the show running in the background, see me, dog. See, we hear it loud. Here we go. I mean, people, when you no forward, you can't have the show in the background, here. Do not come in for listen on yourself. Right? That not gonna work. We're not gonna flap the thing, all right? We're not gonna kill the vibes, right? That not go. So people, you don't know what's back in the day. You know what's a bauxite was always big in Jamaica, right? Bauxite was always big. But it was always run by multinational companies. And back in the day, if you work on bauxite, you know, your money up, right? Like the woman them did love bauxite, man, because all the benefits them and all them something that they did up, you know, and things. So the bauxite man them did, you know, and them have all kind of benefits and coverage, including some really good medical benefits again, because it was these international companies, you know, mining the bauxite for the aluminum and all these things. So bauxite was a huge money-making industry back in the day at Jamaica. And they used to have their own communities. So they will build houses for a lot of the workers and so forth and things like that. And amongst those communities, they bring in their doctors and whatever too in some of the facilities. And then now, at one point, a doctor gave one of the employees a pill. But the pill is really a powerful, you know, relaxant, you know? So the pill, for whatever you got through, you know, whether, you know, for different reasons, they'll prescribe that pill. But it's prescription. And based on what the work with them I do and who get the pill and whatever, and the man them still a do them thing, somehow the man them go find out and say, when you take that pill here, you take long for come, you'd have never come. Yeah. And that pill eventually was referred to as Boom. Yeah, and that pill the name Boom. And it spread at Jamaica because the Jamaican man them now start find the link to get that pill there. The pill there they all about. So you hear about Jamaican man back in the day take Boom. Them time that the pill thing, you know, where you see big, you know, man, them a take all these little body pills out there, penis pill and this. That never come on, you know, any little corner store you go to, you see all these pills selling. Them days, you know, the pill, you know, that one that take long for come pill. And it's a Boom. But here I know with the Boom now. again, it's a relaxant. And why it do, it relax your nervous system and thing, and you know, in that area, it's about sensitivity, you know. So when you get sensitized and you build up to a crescendo and then you pop off, ejaculation. But so why it do, it relax your muscles. So depending on who you are and how your body make up and what you do and things like that. If you're not careful with the boom, you are drop asleep too, you know, when you plan for work. You understand? But one of the things it make you do, it make you yawn. It make you yawn enough. So after a while, the woman them start figure it out, you know. Because when the man them a go on and a put on in 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, whatever, right? I remember ladies all hear about tan long pon it. Most women, when it come to sort out in general, they don't want a man pon them so long. Unless you like a little special night and you go hard, you know, your teens, and you know them all night marathon there when you just start sort out. But in general, woman don't want a 1 minute man and a 5 minute man or so, but woman don't want a 2 hour man and a 3 hour. So pressure did I reach a woman them man, because the man them a take a boom them man, you understand? And I put on some bad 2-3 hour upon the woman them, and the woman them, after a while the woman them get wise up to the thing, and you say, I don't know, so yeah, sometimes a woman say, a man a yarn, she say, you know, say boom you take or whatever, or a dog at work, and you're not supposed to yarn when you at work. So you know, say if a man in a mig like thing and him a juggle and thing and him go start yarn and thing and whatever, and the woman see and then the woman and say, yeah man, you take something man. You take something. Then boom just became institutionalized in Jamaica, you know. Where anywhere you go in a Jamaica, man go buy boom. You know, if you can go and we look at shellings and last for a while and thing and whatever. But let me tell you man, that cause be a pain for a woman. Susie, where? That cause be a pain for a woman. Enough woman go through it with boom. With man we look like them can't stop and all these things, you know. See Panderac say it's supposed to take with milk. Anything else you will yarn. Panderac said, don't ask how I know. Oh, a milk it for take with. And some man used to take it with Pepsi or Coca-Cola, you know. You know, and then after a while when Red Bull come in, them take it with Red Bull because that give you the sugar rush, you know. But then now, you know that thing that go, what them never understand is that something like Red Bull, it give the energy, you know, but it go way up and then it crash. So you can imagine during the crash, you crash from the Red Bull and at the same time, the boom, I act on you and I make you, you know, make you yarn and make you get overly relaxed and things like that. So there's a lot of boom stories. For you young people who don't know, there's a lot of boom. Jamaicans can tell you all kind of boom stories and things out there. But the woman them go through it though. The woman them go through it. Because when that thing take off, I remember say take off for years upon years, you know, whatever, man. And the man them did abuse it, you know, man. I mean, I tell them, man, so them abuse the boom, or so them abuse the woman them with the 2-3 hours sort on. And then eventually, you know, you have an energy drink with the name Boom that became institutionalized down there. So after a while, there was this thing now to take Boom with Boom. So Boom the pill with Boom. But I read that you did have you did have like a 10 and the 15 or something like so, like 10 milligram and the 15. But I read that the smart move, because it was a little pill, you know, it's small, you know, from what I read, what I see and think when I do my research and think. And I read that, you know, that don't try to overdo it. What you must do is just cut off a little piece of it and you will still derive some benefit from it, just enough, you know. So sometimes the thing is to cut it in half back in the day, you know. Don't you know, you see when him say him take 2 boom and whatever and thing and pop off quick, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Anybody know a boom knows that no good. The thing to do, cut it in half. You understand? And that way you get like a decent You know, if you know, say I'm gonna mash a sample work or whatever and thing, you know, because you know some of them women that Jamaican them a body take a reg, you know. Yeah, you can't even come with no dolly house business and thing, you know, you have to come ready and thing. You have some women at Jamaica, them love them thing. Them love them thing. Yeah, you know, back in them days when you're young, first round, second round, third round, and all them something there, whatever. You better be ready to go. Like Steve Austin, $6 million man. Yeah, God and time, so you yarn until your mouth can't even lock up, though. Yeah. When I say, I take boom pill already, and the girl not turn up, and I have to back my fist. Well, yo, priceless, same take a boom pill, and she not turn up, and have a... Well, the thing with boom, you know, boom wasn't the thing that make you hard. Boom make you stay long. You know? So, and I like say, if you go up, you can't come down. You know? That was it. Boom just, it's a muscle relaxant, you know? You did have other things that make you, you know. But hey, this sort of thing in Jamaica, you know, there's a lot of socio-cultural pressures attached to it in Jamaica, you know, man, people. Me I tell you, man, whole heap of, it's just a constant narrative in Jamaican culture, you know, right? For a little bit, you hear things, you know, where it's all in that era there, you know, about how good you are, whether you can perform, you know. For a little bit, yeah, even the most decent people, you'd hear them say things like, "Nah, man, I forget him carrot juice and him Guinness and him dragon pan Sunday and straighten up him back and him Irish mash and him linseed and that." You know, for your group, you just always hear these little narratives, you know, associated with, are you prepared to work, you know? You know, are you, take care of yourself, you know? You know, assumptions that people make, you know. So, you big and thick, look how you can do so and, you know, she a stallion and she a this and that. I know in a church, you know, you see it like all this, if a preacher I go on good, you know, you hear the churches and I say, no man, pastor they on fire to them, man, him look good in him suit. There was always these sexual themes in narratives in Jamaica. It's a constant thing, you know. That's why I'm not surprised that when me start travel, me realize that there are all these people in all these countries, them either rate Jamaicans or them afraid of Jamaica. What me go look foreign, you know, I came man, you know, and me them among some woman there. They're all professionals, you know, lawyers, investment bankers and all these things and whatever. And I remember I was struck when all those ladies said en masse, you know, in totality. They said they would trust their man, their husbands and their men around any other woman except a Jamaican woman. One woman, she said, if our man cheat on her with a Jamaican woman, she said she wouldn't even try winning back because she knows she not get him. But I was like, how can they make a generalization like that? And they were all convinced. They were like, no, Jamaican woman, when it come to that. There was this other country too that they claim, the Dominican Republic too. They were saying the Dominican Republic, apparently the Dominican Republic woman, you know, they must sample to. I don't know, whatever. But I remember them saying, you know, she was just like, no, once a Jamaican woman sort out your man, you know, them never say sort out, you know. But she's like, once a Jamaican woman say, you ain't gonna get him back. She said, you're not gonna get him back. And it's just the only place I've been where, not surprisingly, where, you know, you're not hearing nobody about them afraid of Jamaican. And it was in African countries. Because over there, so, you know, them you know, them good pan for them thing. Different too, you know. Whatever. But I've been to Japan and me hear it. I've been to France and me hear it. England, I'm here. America, right? I'm here. You know, there's this whole thing about the sexual prowess of Jamaicans, men and women. You know, people just have it said Jamaicans are really good when it comes to that. Of course, you do have Jamaicans who pop down and are good, but it's just a generalization. So I'm just not surprised, you know, some of the sentiment they're out there and things. So Sonia, them, we don't know about Grenada, man. Grenada, man, them can't come near, you know. Grenada men and women, you know, for them sort out can't come near Jamaica and thing. And Sonia, I don't want you vex or nothing. I just saw the thing set, right? Phony thing can't come near our thing right here, right? Grenadian men and women can't come. Sonia said, go Raga. All right. Break up, mix up. Break up, mix up. Break up, mix up. Break up, mix up. I'm looking forward to going to Grenada in December. I'm going to host a wedding down there. It's my first time going there. And I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm so looking forward to that. Break up, mix up. Let me see if anybody in here so no one come in and think. What's this?
Raga.
How this? Bad slave? Are you again?
The phone dead for me. I want to phone dead.
Oh, I did the phone. Oh, come and say you didn't get cut off and things. So what you do? You say you want to finish, you know?
Yeah, I want to reach that story.
Nah, me don't even remember, you know.
Oh, yes. Yes, so. After she kick off the door and come in at the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, she rushed me the ice picker and I have to book her in her nose bridge.
Yeah, that's where you had to reach. Yeah, you were right there. Yeah.
More disarm her, but I don't fight her. I remember saying me at fault. You know?
Yeah.
Then I have to take that into consideration. Is April.
Yeah.
So you know, say, my father come over there now. Yeah, my father. Girl, go on and let the dirty boy, you know, see no good. I tap it. My father want him mash up the fight, you know. My father don't want him fight me, you know, because my father is tired. You know?
A psych your father use, you know?
Yeah, man, he on a psych.
Yeah.
Go on and let the dirty boy, you know, see boy no good. Give me ice pick, man. Give me ice pick, man.
Yeah.
Girl say, give my father ice pick. Here, Mr. Green, you know, say, Green on my last name, yeah. Mr. Green. So my father, you know, say, may I go me out there, man. Give me back my ice pick.
Yeah.
My father give me ice pick. He attacked me again in that place.
Your father gave her about the ice pick and she rushed you back?
Yeah. He rushed me again.
Yeah. She stabbed you?
My father have to come in and say, boy, yo, no.
Okay.
I must say, your youth father, even though you need hurt. And,
yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So anyway, you know, she never pleased. Slap out the back glass in her car. Tap one of the tire them. And she decides that she will go her yard. My father talk to her and calm her down. You what me now? Then me walk go with my father. Hear my father to me. Why? You know some me start calling ostrich. That's how you do that. Yeah. Yeah. Ostrich alone hide their head in the earth and left out their body.
Me not get it, you know.
Let's say the one remember say the car, you know.
Yeah. No, okay. Now me get it. Yeah, because they go left the car up on the base. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, but my father love me still now.
Yeah, nah, man, and it's your father have your back, man. I defend you.
Yeah, man, the boss tell me say, yo, you know, some start to ostrich you. And I said that they will do it.
Yeah, you see, one simple mistake and thing, and it could have caused your life, you know.
Ostrich alone.
You see. Yeah.
I left the rest of the motor.
You shouldn't go park the car, the dog, and thing, you know. Because the car she see and then read the play and know, say, over there with girl, don't.
Yeah, but the boss did a show me still not come for the show me, but show me drop asleep.
Yeah.
But the boss did a show me from earlier.
Yeah, problem that drop asleep something do, you know?
Yeah, man, drop asleep. So, mommy and the girl, they link up over that said, you know, even the next night she'll come back.
She come back, I see him place?
Yeah, man, she come back the next night, man. I must have been man and hot water, and I deal with it.
Well, the woman who you did carry there, she come back, I see him place the next night?
Yeah, man, she.
After all of that go down, she come back at the same place after your landlord did have to lock her up in a room?
Yeah, man. I know say my father did end up carry her out because through the car, back last did lick out.
Well, I mean, I tell you, some people do something and thing. Anyway, yeah, she must know why, you know.
Me and Andrea link up for a while until everything just pop off.
Yeah, but you go back there
Next
so the next night, go back in and see and place and thing. After the man who you go there with, the baby mother come there with ice pick for stab you up and stab up people and people have to lock you up in a room for shield you and whatever. And you go back there the next night for body again.
No man, I remember saying in a real them the time them me did where were me look for?
No, that the woman me a talk about me, I say she brave.
No man, me depressed, me want some comfort.
You want comfort?
Me depressed mentally.
No, me not deny that. Me just I say with she, if she go back there, so she brave, she must did love you and thing or whatever. And think I just don't think it was a smart idea to go back there, you know. I'm glad that never happened to her, you know. But you know, it is what it is. Now say a word, man, big up yourself, you know, bad slave.
Yeah, what I time for that man.
Go some man, protection man. Break up, mix up. Here I go and see we can forward with somebody else, right? You know. Take off this. Greetings. Greetings. Hello. Hello. One Ross. One Ross. People watch on the phone when I come in, man. All right. Break up me. Goddess, big up yourself. Break up, mix up or any other mix up one. Break up, mix up or any other mix up one. All right. Check in. All right, go see what I go on. Some people are coming, you know. Hello.
Raga.
There, you know.
Raga, man. I will call it.
All right, move her from the music here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so anyway, my face up now.
Yeah.
Why am I telling my baby father? When him have argument and do it,
Yeah.
can't bother no more, yeah, man. So anyway, I put on about 3 brassiere and about 4 panty.
You put on 3 brassiere and 4 panty?
Yeah, cause go where I go where. I don't want it look no way. No, I put on about a couple brassiere and some panty and put on my dress and grab my daughter and say I go to church.
Yeah.
As I reach out of the road, someone jump on a taxi.
All right, well on there. Something in the background, or what, the TV on or something? Kids watching it?
Yeah, let me turn on the TV, little please.
Yeah.
So anyway, grab my daughter and reach out to my sister yard.
Yeah.
But him know some my sister me always go. Anyway, me anytime me I run where nothing.
Yeah.
So him not do nothing more than to drive come out there.
Yeah.
My daughter outside a play. Me not realize that him out there nothing. You know. When I come, at the van me see a drive off and my daughter gone with him. Call me a couple minutes. The baby wants you, you know, come home, the baby wants you.
Yo.
Reach back a yard again, love up again and everything. Everything start over. We can't
so when you go back for the baby now, 2 toes on the start dogo down.
Yeah man, everything starts all over again. You know what I give up.
Hold on. When you say, so hold on. So you put on 3 brassiere and 4 panty and well pack and thing and cut with the baby and thing and whatever and thing, but you know exactly where you go.
Alright. Out of my sister me I go so I want a brassiere and panty because can't go and read fair clothes.
Yeah.
Has to be the case. But him come for the baby.
Him come for the baby. I'm going with the baby and say, yo. The baby there, you know, your baby wants you. You need to come back right now for your baby. Yo, him cool, him not easy. And as you reach back, you have to tell her what.
Yeah, baby, I see.
Baby
Baby, when I
asleep.
sleep, you know.
And then
And I
what?
be a love makings after
I
me.
be a love makings after that. You know,
Well, anyway,
well,
we could have left
tell me
though.
something. When you go back at that love making, it did nice. Talk it
Yeah,
through.
man.
It did not.
Yeah,
No.
you know them type of love makings are
They
the
make
best
up
love makings
the.
ever. Jamaica,
Yo.
man. Remember everything you say, no man, you can't bother left again.
No, but I'm going to ask you something more. Was there something in a kind of weird way, kind of sexy, say, he make that effort there and go take a picnic and do and call you back and whatever, this and that. But
Yes, yes. Me I tell you. Then I eat man, but run fast, you freak. And me I say, no man, he mean good man.
He really good for you.
You
I said,
come
no,
back to people,
that
no
man
matter
are
how we
determined,
argue.
no. And you
Yeah, man,
run, go back there
determined.
quick for the baby and thing. And when you go back, you know, and you don't know what I'm for you go back in there, no.
Yeah, me know exactly. But you know me and madam, I love me baby, me nah let
Love
her.
your baby now. If him know so she must come back, man. And him just
Yeah,
probably bathe
he
and
got my
freshen up
weakness, man.
and make the baby asleep. And as soon as you come in, him and
Ah,
draw for you
dear things.
and take her. But by the time you go back, you never have on the 4 panty and 3 brassiere.
No man, all of that left for sister, yeah.
Well, God.
All of that left for sister, yeah.
All of that left for sister yard. My job when you reach back is no brassiere and no panty. You understand? Anyway, bless
Oh,
up.
but brother, anyway,
Yeah, man.
rest in peace. Him pass off last year.
Oh,
Could have
okay.
left, you know.
Seeing.
So one of them days there. Two kids and keeping memories them going strong.
Yeah.
But people, my message to you still, take care of yourself. Diabetes is a terrible thing.
Diabetes, no.
Yeah, man, it's a terrible thing. Take care of yourself. Watch how you eat.
No, from what they may talk to, the people about it and things, there's much that we need to learn with it. I'm glad I see so many things on social media about it now. But the diet where we have as Jamaicans, some Jamaicans don't want to hear this because we're conditioned to celebrate our cuisine and our food and to big it up on them. But how we were raised, I thought, boy, if you eat, cook food and eat enough food and that a kill off enough away, You see that what if a rice and starch that
And
we
if a
eat.
mango, them we love and the banana. Too much ain't no good food.
Too much ain't no good. Too much sugar meat people, man. You see that thing about insulin resistance and the need for learn about that something them, man. And and the thing where them used to fool about you for eat 4 or 5 times a day and keep your metabolism up. Not no gossip people, not no gossip. Right? You for eat less and eat leave out the sugar them. I remember rice and bread are the worst thing.
Yeah. I will not even produce so much water because water kills cells. But we never.
Yeah. Yeah, man. No, me I'm gonna talk to people them over here a little bit about it one of them day and thing. Alright, but blessing man, I made the general sleep in peace, same way and thing, see it?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, cool. Bad move that the dog making, the dog say, man, go feed look at that and say, come on man, the baby need you, man, and where you there? The baby need you, your daughter need you. She said she have to run, go back quick because she knows that she love her daughter and all these things done. Greetings. Hello.
Hello, greeting Ragashanti.
Greetings, Wagwan.
Everything good,
See it there? What you say?
No, say nothing.
But just
like a little help.
Help? What kind of help you want?
Like me that want to raise some chicken.
You want to raise some chicken?
Yes.
Okay. And so who you want the help from?
I don't know if you have no good listener out there can help me.
Okay. Where you live?
I live at St. Elizabeth.
Which part of Senti?
I live in Lacovia.
Lacovia and thing or whatever. Okay. And who you live with?
Me live with
You don't know who you live with?
me want live.
Eh?
Me want live.
Nah, man, but a while ago you said me live with one, and then you pause and
All
you
the time mistake me
hold
make,
on,
man.
hold on. Me say who you live with, and you say me live with one, and then you pause and you think about it, and whatever you think about, you calculate, say, me no want to tell him that, you know, and then you switch and you say, and me want live. And listen to me now, God will listen to you, you know. God will listen to you.
Yes.
God will listen to you, and you sound like a woman of God. So if you tell lie, bad blessing go and follow you. Listen to me, I tell you, you know. Bad blessing go and follow you if you tell lie. All kind of crosses and destruction are going to follow you. So right now, if you don't want them something to follow you, I'm going to take set by you and all these things. But why you, in the name of God, tell me the truth now. You have the opportunity to save your soul right now. Who you live with?
Me want live. And me go to church.
And you go to church.
Yes.
So why you start by say, me live with one, me live with and you
A
go,
little mistake me make, man.
what little mistake you make?
Yes.
Okay. What little mistake you make?
Yes. You know that sometimes you have to make a little mistake in your mouth. Or
Sometimes,
you make mistakes sometimes.
when you say sometimes you have to make a little mistake in your mouth.
Yes.
Yeah, perhaps that has happened to quite a few people out there. They made a few mistakes in their mouths. Okay, Auntie, you ever make a mistake in a, well, you're basically saying you just made a mistake in your mouth, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You know some recognize your voice though.
Yes, me did come on the last time, but
Yeah, man. Then,
about a week now.
yeah, man. The last time you come on, man, and you try you try tear off something off of me. I'm tell you, say, me not really open that door there with people, you know, because once you open that door there, a beer that I go come in, come mash up your show. You remember me tell you that?
Okay.
You remember me tell you that?
You remember why now, Raga?
Now, what you mean, you know,
Remind
member?
me.
No, what you mean, you know, member? Then you did calling, or you mean, you know, member? You remember say you calling, but you know, remember what me did say to you?
No.
You remember what me did say to you?
No, me don't remember.
You remember when you call in and I see somebody say that, yeah, so like about the WhatsApp and all these things where you know people on WhatsApp and things like that. Eh? You never remember? Eh?
No.
Okay. You ever raise fall before?
No, me never raise it yet, but me have a cousin who raised it, so she that show me how to do it.
Okay, should I show you how to do it and things? So who you live
Yes.
with? Who you live with? Who you live with?
Me,
Just tell me
live
truth,
fa-
man. Just
me
tell
live
me.
on a family land.
Just tell you live on a family land, but who you live with? Just tell me truth, man. Who you live with?
All right.
Yeah.
Me and my mother live. But me living on my own part.
Okay. All
But
right.
me not working now, so me don't like to do something.
Okay. So you say you never raised fowl yet?
No, me never raise fall yet. But me
Yeah.
don't want to try a thing.
Don't try a thing. Okay. But why you know, so this is a common thing Jamaicans tell people up here in a foreign. You know that? Did you know that? Eh?
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 What you say?
Me say, you know, say, it's a common thing, you know, Jamaicans tell people, them like to tell people, say, them want start a fowl farm, them want raise fowl, them want a money for start fowl farm and thing, you know?
Yeah, me get it. Me da do it. Me could have get to buy a goat and do. Me could have go and do that too.
What you da do with the goat?
Raise it and multiply it.
Raise it and multiply it. And you don't know how to do them or something them now.
What? The goat?
The goat, the four. You say, well, you
Yeah,
never.
me know about the goat.
Wait, wait, you that raise a goat?
Me just start with a she goat.
Mm-hmm.
And then you carry, when you call ram, you carry him to the ram.
When what?
When he call for ram.
Oh, you mean when the she goat in a heat?
Right.
You
Thank you.
carry the she goat out to one. You know, you have to pay out somebody who have a good rammy where can put some good breedings on the she goat, don't you? Right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Well, me not depend nothing I know still. I mean, I ask, oh yeah, say if you know anybody who would want to help you and think on the show, though.
Yes, me don't know.
Okay.
But me see a comment say somebody say she can't give me a work. In the
Oh,
comment.
what kind of work you can do, though?
Me don't know what type of work they have to give me. All depends on
Okay.
the work.
Okay. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking? Some people may want to know that, you know?
55.
55, and you want to work, and you're over in St. Elizabeth. All right, and you're in Lacovia in St. Elizabeth, you're 55, and you want to work. And you want to know if somebody want to help you for you to do something, right?
Yes.
All right, then. Well, more than 1,000 people, more than 1,200 people listening. So if anybody express any interest, we just pass it on to you. Yeah, give me a name that we can refer to you.
Me use the name and me in the box.
Oh, is that your name?
Yes.
What name is that?
Natalie.
All right, Natalie. All right, then. Them see it. So if any...
One of them I say in the comment say me not have an MP.
No.
But the MP not help me.
Hold on. When you talk to me, I don't like when you don't do that. To not talk to me, I will not read the comment them. But you sound like you're very savvy, you know, with TikTok and thing. You know what I go on, don't you?
Yes, me know what I want for me the funny.
Yeah, you're there on it, man. You're there on it regularly, don't? Like you're there on TikTok regularly.
Yes, but me a grandma now, so me have to take in the information.
Right. I will show good by your phone. What type of phone you have?
Me have one a little cheap phone, you know. Me have it's two camera one.
You what? What you say you what?
You have one a little cheap one, two camera.
The 2 camera cheap one.
The brain, yes.
Okay. All right, then blessing. If anybody reach out and me, make you know, yeah?
So when you end in line, me can give you my number inbox or check you back next week.
Huh? No, you don't have to check me back. Me just, if anybody link me and thing, me will just shout out and thing and you will hear, because you depend on social media, so you will hear, all right?
Okay, so when you're planning to come to Jamaica?
Huh?
When you're planning to come a yard?
Not anytime soon. There is couple possibilities in the pipeline, but until I get confirmation, I don't really commit myself yet and say, oh, I'm definitely going to be there. So not anytime soon, but in my business, something can come up and I have to go to Jamaica next week, you know, so.
Yeah,
Right.
so if you pass through, me look for something nice for you.
Okay.
Some nice fruits.
Some nice fruits, like what kind of fruit?
Remember me tell you about the raw bean?
Yeah, the raw bean mango, right? Mm-hmm.
You see, me not forget that one day.
Yeah, but you remember that one day, but you never remember the other thing though. Okay.
And some nice neeseberry. You eat neeseberry?
Oh God, I love neeseberry.
Okay, I would try to get at least 4 dozen for you.
4 dozen?
Yes.
You would get 4 dozen neeseberry for me?
Yes.
Oh, I would be so happy. Oh my God, I would be like dancing in neeseberry and thing. That's really nice of you. All right, thank you. If ever I'm coming through Lacovia and thing, me sound you out and thing. Natalie, but what then call you otherwise though? Separate from Natalie, what then call you? Yeah, cause everybody have a look a pet name or a different name. What then call?
No, me not no pet name. My pet name is Natalie.
Okay, so them just call you Miss Natalie or Auntie Natalie.
Yes.
Okay, all right then. All right then. So if anybody link and thing, me just make them know and them I say, yo, them have a look at something for Natalie, me make you know and sound you out, yeah?
All right. One of them I say, why me not sell fruit?
Why you not sell the fruit?
Yes.
Man, that, why not? You don't want
That
to
is a good idea, but me I feel look out for Ragashanti if me can get some nice Lisberry. I enjoy it.
That's very thoughtful of you, and I just want to express my gratitude and appreciation for your intention to care about me. So you're saying,
Yeah, and the Robin. I
and
have
the Robin.
women for the Robin for you.
Oh, that is incredible. So rather than sell the Neesberry and the Robin mango, them you'd give them to me. That I feel so honored with that, you know.
Them said,
Stop reading
right,
the
me not
comment.
read out.
Stop reading the comment them. You cannot talk to me and I read the comment them. You can't read it too.
Okay, but me ignore them.
Yes, ignore them here. All right, my friend. All right, take care here.
Yeah, nice talking to you.
Always a pleasure, Auntie Natalie.
Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
All right, then. Good. I'm not going like you know, hey, I'm not going like you know, rate Auntie Natalie, you know. Oh, watching yourself
Hey,
here.
Raga.
What's up?
Tambourine.
Long time.
Like, I've been listening to you from I was 14 years old. And now I'm
Wow.
30. So,
Wow.
that's a lot of years.
And you said now you're what?
30.
30.
Right.
Oh, I think you say you listen to me from you're 14, I know you're 13.
No.
I'm kidding. All right. You see?
That's a big up still. It's been a while.
Give thanks, man. Give thanks. Long time we in a game, you know? Give thanks.
Right.
Here, not say a word. Here?
All right, big up.
Blessings, man. Cool. Here she said from she 14 and now she 30 and I know. We bust the thing them out there, don't? Proper. Once a big respect to all of the Canadian linky them and thing, you know. Toronto family, Mississauga, Brampton in the building, Vaughan and them place there. Jane and Finch. You don't know the levels, though. Everything is everything, man. T-Dot. Uno the dot. Them for know. Large up on yourself, you know. I love how no gangster up a thing and don't make nobody come bully, you know. And boy one come turn on this and turn on that and thing. But I just love the unity where the eye them have and I wanna firm up on certain upon such people. You see me? Alright, greetings, good night. Good night.
Night, Raga.
Wagwan.
You know, a long time I listen to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big up to you still, but that's a big one. For the first time I'm talking to you.
Alright.
Alright? So continue to have a great one.
Oh, you just give me a yell.
Yeah, man, and keep doing what you're doing.
Alright, then respect here.
Alright, cool.
All the best for the job. They bless up, man. Cool.
Bye.
Alright, people, you see it? We just not too long past 50,000. I want to see the goal that I have is 100,000. I'm just past 50,000. So, how quick do you think I can reach in it? Look at the name the other person there. The person named Big Batty Felly Belly. Yo, someone have some name in this sample, you know. Oh no, okay. Hello.
Yeah, Ragashanti.
Yo.
Good night. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me have a little mix up gear now, man.
I could hear it, no?
Yeah, man. Yeah, one time me usually talk to one girl in a raga.
Yeah.
And I tell you, say, on Christmas Eve, me I carry her go out, you know.
Yeah.
And they say, Raga, when I carry her go out, Raga, we buy me suit, dress up everything, you know.
Eh.
And I see him suit in a Raga.
Yeah.
Cause me spend my money in a Raga.
Yeah.
Me say, Raga, when me go up at the man at 9 night, the man sick. Raga can't move. Me say, Raga, me buy pill for every shop and he couldn't move, get better.
Eh.
Mr. Raga, me go on a grand market tonight. When me look, the girl right for me foot the almost stepping up and I see me on a Raga. And me suit, you know.
Voila. So you tell me, say, you buy matching suit for you and her, don't?
Yeah.
And for God,
Yes,
for
Raga.
big date plan and everything, don't?
Big
Right?
date.
And when you go up there and think and whatever and think, we go pick out, she sick like a dog, as we say in Jamaica, dog sick. And you say no matter what you do, she couldn't get better. You buy pill, all
Couldn't
kind
get
of thing.
better.
He flew just and mash her up or whatever it is she have done.
Me I tell you, Raga.
And you left and you just go out by yourself and think, only if you see her out there at the same place daily, I'll step by you and don't even see you. In the same suit, where you buy
Yeah,
here?
suit. Yeah, Mr. Raga. Me I spend my money so the girl got teachers college to a Raga.
Jesus. I lie you tell you serious?
Serious, that George.
Are you pay our school fee for go teachers college?
Yes, Raga.
So when you
Me I tell,
yeah, go on.
Mr. Raga, the night.
Yeah.
When the woman do I sit there walk, almost step on my foot, you know.
Yeah.
Mr. Raga, the girl go away, go Linstead, come meet him, man. And I say, the same night, the man breed her. I couldn't walk nowhere in my community, I pay they call me. They say, everywhere me turn, they call me baby diploma.
Yo, the chat get mad. The chat get mad. The chat get sick. The chat get sick. The chat get sick. What you say they call you?
Baby diploma.
Yo, that bad. No feel how you still that bad.
Raga,
Yeah.
I couldn't take no taxi.
Yeah.
Every taxi.
Yeah. Every taxi you go in, what? Eh? Yo, Bossy, never mind, him a come back, man. Not leaving, him coming back. You know, sometime, TikTok do this, I think. Baby do. Yeah. So what you say, when you go in a taxi, what happen, no? What you say?
Man, me say, couldn't go nowhere. Baby diploma.
Baby diploma. Yo, man, I tell you, Jamaica one of the most creative set of people in the world or whatever this or that. When them come up with that one and a beat, you say, baby diploma, what go on? So
Baby diploma, what go on? $1 me spend is a baby me get back. I don't know, Finny.
So you know, say she have man and Linston and thing and the man and sickness, you know.
Brother, I know say the man have no man at Linstead. I couldn't so fool.
Oh.
Mr. Raga treat me.
And are you a send her go teachers college the whole time, don't?
Anything she want, Dana. Raga. And me make she happy. Her mother, her grandmother, them love me. Because me I do good.
You do good and I take care of her and all these
Mr.
things.
Raga, when me see the woman in bed in America, I bend up, in a pain,
In a pain the night when you carry her out, don't?
Mr. Raga buy fencing till me nearly drop down.
You buy fencing and all kind of things that try to get her back and couldn't come back only if it's a good that touch the road in the night, they don't.
Yeah, tell you, Raga, man.
And then go down at the man yard, go dash out the good and pick up a breed, too, don't?
Yeah. That time they mean I can't do my man a ride. naked.
Yeah, and I condom you have to work with.
Yeah.
Jah know me not.
With all the money me spend and get baby for me result.
Get
I don't know for me.
I don't know your one. No dog, me I tell you, them beat you bad with that one. Them not feel no way still, you know, but you turn up doing, you know, baby diploma, you know. So yo, you what? Well, I know. Me I tell you that one the shot. So you get a baby diploma. Yeah. Jah know. No man, respect for that one. The ears, so big up yourself.
Man, all right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That one the
Cool.
shot. That one the shot. Anna. Cool. Yo. Hey, man. Yo, Jamaica not easy, you know. And I see name them when they go give general. And say, baby diploma. Jah know. Shut him with that name right there, so. Hello, greetings.
Raga,
Whoa.
yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you.
First time for your program, you know, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah.
Me don't know if you remember one time, this is back in idea when you used to do uptown people have mixed up too.
Mm-hmm.
You remember that program there?
Yeah, man, we do whole heap of mix-up, man. So we do uptown mix-up.
When the woman call in and I tell her, say,
But the powder dish.
she got a man yard, and our woman come,
No, man, but the
come catch them.
hold on. At the powder dish mix-up you attack, right?
Yes,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yes,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
yes.
man. Yeah, man. All
So
I
me
feel.
just call in for ask, you can't carry back none of them sitting there.
Yeah, man. You know, see, I keep it simple, you know. So, yeah, them vibes are there. They're different topics, different things and things, you know. Yeah, you know.
All right, Raga, me have one little piece of mix up to tell you.
Yeah, we hear it now.
This is when me da talk to this girl,
Mm-hmm.
and me and her talk for about 4 months, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Good talkings and something.
Mm-hmm.
Me no know say she had no man. She tell me say she not have no man.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, long story short, me end up go over her yard one night,
Mm-hmm.
and her soldier man piss on me. And I know saying piss on me, Raga.
You skip something. Oh, yeah, so, how that happen? How we reach there, so what did happen?
Alright, me and her talk. She normally come on my yard.
Mm-hmm.
Me never got her for her yard yet.
Mm-hmm.
The time that she live with her man in her yard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so anyways, we did a talk, Raga. And me tell her me I can spend the night with her.
Yeah.
That the time the fear man gone to work.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, me did a Raga. And me and her did a get comfortable.
Yeah.
Done sort out and something. So anyways, me end up going on the veranda because me's a man with smoke. Me end up going on the veranda and I smoke my weed.
Hold on. So to make it, hold on. So the first time you go a yard, you and her sort out.
Me and her did a sort out before that.
Before that, but that was the first time you go a yard. Yeah.
Yeah, first time.
And then you sort her out that night and then come out on a veranda.
Yeah, come out on her veranda. Me I tell her about after 1 in the morning.
Okay.
So me I say, more want smoke.
Mm-hmm.
So me go up and me come out on the veranda.
Mm-hmm.
And me there build up my weed and me I smoke, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
To the veranda set up one little shed there underneath it.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, me there sit down on the veranda and smoke.
Mm-hmm.
I man that me see parking car out the door.
Mm-hmm.
Out the yard. And I pull grill and come in.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, me say it to her. And she a say, she turn in that Raga, she a say, me man. Cause me see man, like say man park his car out the gate, and the man walk a come in.
Mm-hmm.
In a uniform, everything.
Yeah.
So me there turn in that Raga, don't know where for run go.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, me run gonna need the cellar. And the man end up coming in the yard and go up on the veranda.
Mm-hmm.
And I greet her, she a pretend like nothing happened.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, long story short, the man take out him hood ragga and piece palm me right this underneath he cellar.
All right then.
Piece palm me wall of me foot.
But help me understand something. You did it on the veranda, right?
Yeah, me did it on the veranda first.
Right. And then after a while, you jump off of the veranda and go under the cellar, which is under the veranda.
Underneath the cellar. Yes.
Under the cellar. And they say him come in and greet the woman.
Yes.
So if him greet the woman, then him at least, at a minimum, him come up on the veranda.
Up on the veranda and greet the woman.
Right, of course. So him dep on the veranda with her and thing. Then when him leave now, after him, this, where him go?
Him not gonna when did they talk to her. Then him say, more pee-pee. Then he take out him thing and start pee-pee. So when he start pee-pee, everything I run for me.
So that's, so what me want you help me to understand, if him dep on the veranda, where him turn for a pee-pee, so that the pee-pee end up a catch you under the veranda.
I want board structure ragga. So
Yeah.
my pee-pee on the board and it a run come down upon me.
All right. So basically, him a pee-pee on the veranda.
And upon the veranda, but him turn up on the veranda and a pee-pee off of the veranda.
And him a stand up on the veranda and a pee-pee off of the veranda. But if him a pee-pee off of the veranda, that means the pee-pee must be going away from the veranda. But you under the veranda.
Me a my pee-pee on the wall.
On the wall, which wall?
Yeah.
Which wall?
Alright, so the veranda set up. But when two him turn, him a pee-pee on the wall, so everything I run upon me now.
Oh, so you say...
On the house wall.
On the same house when them in at the wall?
Yes, on the same house there.
You sure you don't mean a wall with there beside the house? It can't be the house wall. But you just say the house wall.
Two him turn up on the veranda.
Yeah.
When he pee-pee on the wall,
Yeah.
it a run down back. On one piece of board there.
Right, and I come back down upon you.
Yeah, and I come back down upon me.
Okay.
And I couldn't move ragga because some sitting underneath the cellar.
Yeah, you can't move and go make no
nice.
Yeah, yo. So basically
if
now...
you move it and make up nice.
So basically now, him reach him yard.
Yeah, him reach him yard.
Him reach him yard. And him walk through him yard and go up on him veranda. And there with him woman. And then decide for pee-pee pan him veranda. Him never go back out in the yard go pee-pee or go in at the house go pee-pee. Him pee-pee off of the veranda and him already there in yard. And you say him pee-pee pan the same house wall and the pee-pee come back now and come back on your foot.
Yeah.
John know you
That the time there, me left my shoes and my shirt in our house, ragga. Me underneath them, me a fret ragga. So anyways, the woman came go in our house and start him out. So me, you know, did the ragga, me a try come out. The neighbor have one dog over there.
Yeah.
And the dog go spot me ragga. And start make up pee eyes.
Those dogs, man, them just sure.
So me turn eat that again, ragga, me start run.
No, but you'd have to be careful because the dog could have pissed on you too.
No, the dog over next yard.
The dog over next yard. No, but from the way the pissing are going right there, so now, right in that area there, any pissing are going, the piss can go anywhere. So me I say, you never know because like the piss, them in them space the right and all the piss, them seem to have like autonomy. That mean them have a mind of them own. You gone? You gone? Where you gone? Why you gone? But look over there, talk good, and you gone. But what are them? Our boss gone. Look how me and the man there talk good, and the man gone. John, no, I don't even know, but and the man talk good, man, and the general gone, man. Them boss are offended, they get offended when me I say, yo, you have to be careful because you never know the dog could have, the way how them have these incredible pissing and going over there and thing, them piss the dog could have ended up piss by you too, Come on. Based on what you said, that's a distinct possibility because you have established that the piece them can define logic in some very significant ways, Anyway, moving right along. Now the general, the boss say, the soldier man come. And him man start by saying the man piss on him. And he said the man come in, him sort out the woman, and him come on the veranda and relax a while and smoke. And him said the soldier man come and him see the soldier and say the man and woman. Him say she panic and say you are the man that and whatever. So him go sorry and splurt off of the veranda. Take it down under the cellar, which is below. It has to be below the house, as he established. Then the man come in and the man walk out of him yard and come up on him veranda and greet the woman. And when him greet him woman, she play it off. And why she play it off and thing without going into him house and without going back out in the yard, him man want pee-pee. And then him start pee-pee and the pee-pee go up on him foot. When pressed, further inquiries yielded the following. That the man piss and the piss go up on him foot. How? Because the piss go against the wall. Which wall? The house wall. Are you sure it's a house wall or is a wall beside the house? No, the house wall. I could take 2 more and take because I want to mash up my head and I'm sure it mash up for me too, Just 2 more and I leave. Just 2 more and I leave. My plan for do this from 6 to 9 at night time. 6 to... Hold on, that not sound right, 6 to 9. Hold on, no. Hello? Hello? No, I'm going to go dress up that, because I want me just my plan for do the 6 to 9 at night. Yo! No, we fix up that one. Yo, hear what me I say. Yeah, that's the ideal time I want to do it. Here on the lucky. Now, me have some brethren, be arms house them keep up, And be arms house them keep up, but I tell you, them, I know them, them a listen right and say, yeah, me hear you upon your live, So you have to rinse out your 69 them at night time. Down me hear them arms house them keep up, or whatever, but me nah look on them. Okay, all right. 2 more link and then we'll cut. No, we love the vibes, People, so I want to say, for continue this. For continue this. Continue Ragashanti live on TikTok. Yeah? Continue Ragashanti live on TikTok. Watch yes them. You big up on yourself, and do remember, say September, my birthday party, right there, so in New York. Anyone who do on a forward, I'm going to the daytime venue them within the next week or so. No worry on yourself, man. Saying, yeah, Ragabash again on them case. Don't watch it. Watch yes. Could yes them. Murder. All right, we give thanks. Anyway, good night. Hello. Somebody else come in again and not talk. Ever nice? I wonder if I might ever nice that. A Canada ever nice that? I don't know, Don't know if I ever nice that from Canada. Watch yes them. And it's a Ragashanti life for going around on TikTok. Yeah. I step up your thing, man. See? Alright, watch your right. Nah, man, I ever nice that for real. Simone, then I ever nice that. I'm bring in ever nice. Wait, hold on. Let me see if that person come in first. Hello?
Yo, Raga.
Yo, ever nice, may I come to you? Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hear that one?
Yeah.
Hear that one?
Yeah.
Yo, now, 9, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because some woman have a cat, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But one night time, you know, do everything. Because we are money. We are one to do everything.
No, your voice sound muffled.
Yeah, hear me better?
Your voice sound low and muffled.
Wait, 1 second. 1 second. I'm up on the headset.
You depend what?
My headset.
No, yeah, one on the pan, and I have to come off of the edge.
Alright, see if you hear me better now.
Way better.
Alright, watch it now.
Yeah.
Back in our 9, now be yourself, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And you have a little cat you deal with. Nice little girl.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, around 19 years, but them time though, you know, 20s, you know? In the mid-20s, I go up a line. But you can't have 4 other sister. And the sister them kind of like a bit freaky, like, you know? So for them, man, have a freaky. And me have some brothers still, and my brother them freaky. But I'm fresh from a yard, so I said, I'm not upon the freaky thing with no woman, you know? You know, like, woman them want you to do a world sexy. So every day, the man a kid in her head say, yo, this, oh, you bet the boy now do the thing yet. The boy started.
I'm glad you keep it clean here.
Yeah, the dog started. So every day she said, no, and them say, I'm a fool. Everybody, all of them around her say, yo, oh, you have that man there, and you know, I go already on when pressure take, you know, Jamaican, because only pack road there, and she get pressure from my side because I have 2 brothers with. Them man, they brawling with it, you know.
Yeah.
And she have 3 sisters with for her 3 sisters, make she know say, Allah, it have to go on. So me only man we are all out now, you know. So I tell her now, you know, so one day now she go some woman, her friend go link her up with a dog. And the dog look like say, the dog go do the right thing. And her friend the dog come drop her off after the dog done with her.
So hold on. So what? Him go on with the swipings?
Yeah, the dog go swipe.
Okay, so the dog drop her off back to you.
Yeah,
drop her off.
She young. Because she young. She 19. She never get it done yet. So she let peer pressure take her.
Right.
And she go get the swiping done, you know? And the dog come drop her off. So when the dog drop her off, me end up a pulling same time from work. And come meet the dog same time and drop her off. So me I say, yo, how this? So she said, I'm a friend from school. So me go some boom now and go, yell up the dog same way, you know? So everything good. And left them out the door and gone in the house, you know? And I want to tell us I'm there in the house now. And the catty lay down in there and the phone go ring. And the first me ever see the catty jumps up for her phone. So I go so boom now and I say, So I lay down now and watch her open the phone, me I tell her dog. When me catch a password, you know, bad man. One time I see she open the password, you know. And I lay down in the bed like me asleep, you know. And just repeat the password in my head, you know, bro. Because I say, I wait till she drop asleep, you know. She drop asleep. And I go so boom and put in the password. And I see the phone unlock. Jesus Christ, daddy, best day of my life.
Wow.
You know, she start read to her friend, best friend, I go.
Careful, yeah, you keep it clean, okay?
Yeah, she go to the best friend and the best friend say, the dog not do it that good. Like them a talk about how was it and thing, you know? So them must say the best friend not do it that good. She tell the best friend say the guy not do it that good. And she not enjoy it and the best friend I tell her, say, yo, probably because him don't know if you do it or your mind over there or you go through, you know, you're afraid too much and things. So the best friend I tell her, say she have to go just go again and do it again. So anyway, I just tell her, say, yo, baby girl, we have to go left. And when me and her left, you know. Yeah, I tell her, say, yo, wake her up, man, and tell her, say, we have to go left.
Right, right.
Once you go back and next man touch you, I done it done.
Right.
So, tell her, say, we have to go left and call her father and tell her father, say, yo, come pick up your daughter, because I done it done, you know.
Right.
Daddy come pick her up.
Because you say it's a straight violation now.
Violation that, yeah, man, a big violation.
But now, at this stage of your life, where you can look, where now that coming like nothing and thing, and you look back and thing, what you think? You did jump the gun?
No, we still are all orders, man. We not jumping gun, man. We do the right thing. We do the right thing, man.
What you mean?
We do the right thing, man, in the relationship, man.
No, me know, but Mr. Given that now, at this stage, you're older now.
Even now, we still all orders, man.
Oh.
Even now, see, we
wait, you not do it at all?
No, man, not my thing. That.
No, but the woman never them have problem with you that them do it to you and you not do it to them. Them not have problem with that. Them not express them problem that to you.
But here we go now.
Yeah.
You see when me start, you see when me meet a baby, make sure say, baby, you know, say, me not start that thing there.
Yeah.
And I go say no. You see me, I say, me tell him, say, me not go say no, but me not know, and my thing.
Okay.
Probably in the future, me not go say never. Probably in the future, but me
so when woman do it to you, you enjoy?
I mean, me not ask her, you know, say, she want to do it in the
no, but me I say, if you enjoy it.
Yeah, man, we enjoy it, man.
When them do it, them enjoy it and thing, but you just not do it.
And my thing.
And your thing. All right.
And my thing. I just not my thing.
See? If I know your thing, I know your thing. You see?
Aye. So we don't know. When me and I left, you know. See, I know, so the youth will take her up full time.
See it there.
The youth are full time, man, now.
Well,
and I say,
yeah.
Revenge are the sweetest thing in her life, man. Raga.
Yeah.
I'm a full-time side girl.
No.
What me say? No.
Oh, you mean back then?
Back then.
Oh.
Back then. But man, I ball me back the elbow of the ball, man. And call my phone and I cry. Tears.
Yeah. You run your thing and whatever.
And me run the show right now.
Yeah.
Because I turn it down. And me I side man now.
Yeah.
And me I tell you say, are the best sex them in my life. Best touch them in my life. And I went me to the side, man. What me say, killer?
See it there.
Hey, all pa the building, them downtown. Tall high-rise building. When I tell you go downtown, you know, and the maintenance man, you left a high-rise building. One little latch the way if you go up on top, like extreme top of the building, the dog will leave it open. I right up this up on the top of the building like a whole world we all up on up this man.
Shelly.
Whole night, man. And the man a call. I saw the man a call. I fear phone the man a call and I fear phone the man a call, man. I swear to God, man.
All right. Now say a word, man. See it? Me take one more link before me show about, you know. But big up yourself, man. You deal with it if you deal with it. All right? Yeah, man. Cool, man. Cool. Ever Nice, where you there? Ever Nice, where you there? All right, now we're going to run say Ever Nice. And when Ever Nice are coming, so more you want to say. All right, we're going to run a survey right now. The last call. A truth or lies? When did I tell? Truth or lies? More you want to say. Hear the general talk a while ago. Truth or lie? Truth or lie? Let me say true or lie. Let me see if I true or lie. What are the Ever Nice? Me I run a survey here. The last call. A true or lie? Bomba. Somebody say truth. Me say a truth. Yeah, me see a couple people say truth, but I most a lie. But some people say a true, I tell. Yeah, some people say CBS say a true. Some people say a true, but most people say a lie. CBS say a true. Some see that carry on say a true. True. Yeah. Lie. True. No, man, they get quite a few true, man. They get quite a few true. Ever Nice, wagwan!
What? Me there.
See, you done.
Raga, me can say. Me born a Jamaica, me already there.
Eh?
If me never born in Jamaica, me da vex. Me not lie. Me da vex bad.
Then our country sweet, so. Why?
Jesus.
You
But the
see,
guy before this guy,
yeah,
you don't believe him.
the one before,
Before this one, yeah, I don't believe him.
what you mean, diploma, baby?
No, man, no diploma. Man. I want to get the piece on him, man. The piece of
Oh, that
one.
one there, you don't believe that one there? Yeah, that, the one
Me
there
kind of, I'm still
confusing.
facing the raga.
Eh?
No, so you laugh me, you know.
Yeah, I just juggle, I just juggle. Yeah, make people
No,
talk and
man.
them say them things. You see me? You see,
But yeah, man, you must continue the show. It's nice.
Give thanks, man. Give thanks, ever nice. You know the levels and things. You know, one Jamaica, one
One,
Spanish town, one
one state,
homestead,
one homestead,
one homestead, them for
one
know.
tambourine,
One tambourine, one Ragashanti down, them for know
one
foundation.
time.
Give thanks, man. Good. Yeah, I have
Yeah,
to big up
man.
Canada too, you know. Yo, my love how
Yeah,
no,
man, we have to big up Canada right
yo, my love
through.
how your country
Right
just
through.
united and just will make a guy know say, yo, what you feel
Oh,
like? Nah.
we not take no talk from big up
Yeah,
people, man.
yeah.
Yeah.
Love that, you know. Say a word,
Yeah, man.
man. See?
So when you come to Canada, Raga?
I don't know, you know. You know, I said I go up there couple times, well, but you know, just quietly, you know.
Okay.
For
When
this
you come to
and
Canada, you don't link me?
yeah, no, well, one time I'll do an editing course up there, you know, and thing and whatever. Me
Okay.
up there for a while and sitting and whatever, you know. But
Okay.
man, but nah, man, but you see me start up at that thing, you know, and me I juggle
Yeah,
with it, so
man.
you know we
We
are going
need
busy again, don't?
up there, right there.
All right, now say a word, my sis. All right,
Yourself, man.
blessings,
So you say
man.
tomorrow again?
Yeah, right now is
We say 6 to 9.
yeah.
Not 69, you know. 6 to
6 to
9.
9, not 6
Yes.
to 9. We're doing 6 to 9.
9.
We're not doing
Right.
69, okay? That's what
All
the thing.
right.
There. So right now it's definitely Monday to Wednesday and then some Thursdays included too, you know? So I'm going there
So you
tomorrow.
can't live out Friday. So you
Eh,
not afraid
me no,
at
yeah, we see how it go. Yeah, no, yeah, we see. Yeah, probably we juggle Friday, you know?
Yeah, man.
Okay, we're going to keep it up, you know? We're going to keep it up proper, you know?
All
All
right.
right, that's our word, man. Respect, you know. Love and
Yeah, man.
blessings, you
One
know.
love.
Boy, I'm
Yeah,
sure your
man.
daughter get big to right.
Everybody
Me
get big.
say,
Like I said, you
oh,
know, so we have a grandpa, you know.
I lie.
Oh, my grandma.
I lie, you tell her. What you not say?
Grandma.
See it there. Blessings, man. Go and
Yeah,
balance your
man.
thing here.
Yeah, man. Big up for yourself. And big up for yourself, chat.
Go some, man. One time,
Yeah,
fam.
man. All right.
Yeah. Yo, you know, so from when I watch Ragashanti and listen to Ragashanti, you're in the TamFam. Tambourine family. Even though I don't have a tambourine with me. Alright? I still TamFam. Tambourine family. Know that. Alright, I'm not gonna really stay and I'm have to go leave Debbie Debs. Which Debbie Debs? I think I know that person. Oh, I know. No, I'm gonna let go, you know, people, so see them
No,
again.
me just say one mix-up stuff now, and what one of the lady say, oh man, come in and fling her through the window.
Yeah, what about that one there? Yeah, the Pandy Rap mixer. Yeah. Hello? Raga, is this your first live on TikTok? My granddaughter called me from Pittsburgh and put me on. No, this is not my first live. I mean, this is the first one where you catch me and do, but my day I'm on, alright? For now, we're going to be Monday to Thursday and thing, you know. 6 to 9. Alright? 6 to 9. Yes, you see, I see Sweet Julie that she know what going on. Sweet Julie has subscribed to me. Jimmy, fix up that, you know. Jimmy, look what you're right. You're right. Monday, Thursday, 6 to 9. Jimmy, fix up that, man. Watch it, all of them are right, 6 to 9. Watch it, all of them are right, about 60. Watch ya. Alistair, 69, link up. Yo, on for Bill, you know. I want to defend. Yo, on for Bill, you know. Fall back, you know. Yeah, it's in the phone like when I leave out the toe. When I leave out the toe, try put the toe, you know. Me I say too many 69 this so it's 6 to 9. See Latisha there 6 p.m., 9 p.m. Latisha yeah work. But no phone, see that 6 to 9. And that enough for put. Yeah. Look on that British with 69. Behave on yourself, you know. Craig Tan, you should have know better, you know. Mr. London, man, you should have know better. It's 6 to 9. Know that. Oh. All right, people, bless up on yourself. I'm going to let go, you know. All right, 9 morals, all right? 9 morals, man. Blessings and things. Let me see which mix-up take it. Which mix-up take a night? Boy, I'm going to say, boy, a diploma be able to take a night, you know. I feel say a diploma be able to take a night. What I want to say, yeah? Diploma be able to take a night, no? Which mix-up take a night? I think a diploma be able to get, no, diploma be able to knock me, you know? God. Diploma baby. Jamaica man, full of creativity. A knocky general with a nickname there. All right, people. Oh, everybody who there is right. I know if you're not follow me, we did the 1,600 a while ago. So you drop down now. If you're not follow me, follow me now, please. You should have sound on from on there up there so for 1,600. If you're not follow me, follow me now. Follow me right now. Follow me now. Follow me now. Follow me now. Follow me now. We pass the 50,000. We're on our way to the 100,000. We're going to get there. Follow me right now, people. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow me now. Follow the horse. Make them know, Jimmy. Man thing. Yeah, everybody who not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. See? Bill, we are Bill. Yeah, if you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Make it happen. Make it happen. Make it happen. Make it happen. Okay. All right, people. Blessings and respect, you know, all right? Lego Men's. Jimmy Q, big up yourself, you know. People follow Jimmy Q too, here. One family. See, generally, Jimmy Q, right? You know, you see DJ Chris Cross, Jimmy Q, and Ragashanti. Make sure someone follow and lock on. You see him? Kimberly, big up, you know. CBS, you don't know. Love and blessings. ANC, large up. Hold on. Hold. Oh. Yeah, I see a bunch on the dead, man. We talk to you tomorrow. No vex here. Tomorrow, meds again. He coming now, look, you know. He coming now, look. Yeah, you are your 69. You all right here? Marlena Strawberry, you're getting all my love. Big up yourself, man. Stacy, I finally see the mix-up, man. One ragga across the, well, board, right? Tracy, and why you not calling my name? I can't call everybody's name. You know, at one point, I 1,600 people over here, you know. You remember Country Girl? Of course, I remember Country Girl from Trelawney. What the lane name again? What the lane name of Country Girl living again? My long time listeners, what Country Girl lane name again in a Trelawney? Somebody soon remember and tell me. Mango probably don't know something over TikTok, but Mango thought differently, you know. So Donkey Lane, that's it. Donkey Lane. Fresh Prince, you know what go on, you know. Yeah man, country girl from Donkey Lane in Trelawney and thing. Country girl anyway, you big up yourself, you know, ratings and respect, you know. Alright. Donkey Lane. Yeah man, circle back on me good man. Still there Brownstone, you know. Joanna over there in Trinidad and Tobago, big up yourself. Kiki said, big up Raga, been listening to you for over 15 years. Blessings.